$1,000 to transform my backyard into a restaurant. And I'm gonna be competing against my dad.
And I have $1,000 to transform my patio into a restaurant. We'll have 5 hours to build a top-tier restaurant from scratch. But this is not going to be an easy challenge because we're both going all in. Not just with food, but also with pranks. Oh my!
You don't know what else is waiting for you over here.
Game on, Salish!
Game on.
When the time runs out, hungry customers will pour in and a real food critic will decide who has the best restaurant. And the winner gets, you know it's coming.
Dad, don't say that.
The Matter Cup! Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, bro. The only reason I'm doing this is because if I win, then you have to make me dinner for a week.
Yeah, but if I win, you have to make me dinner for a week.
Yeah, whatever. I have a plan. I gotta go. Come on, Colin, let's go.
Okay, well, you know what? We gotta go too. She thinks she's the only one with a plan. I got a plan. Let's go. Each of us gets an outdoor flat grill to use to prepare our food, and that's it. We do not get to use the kitchen to cook.
My plan is to make a 5-star hibachi restaurant, and I've got a very special guest to help me with that.
My plan is to make the best burger in LA, so the critic gives me a great score. The problem is I don't know how to make a great burger, but I know somebody who does. There's a restaurant called Proudly Serving, and they have an incredible smash burger.
We're at the Marriott in downtown LA, and there's a hibachi restaurant. My surprise guest is somewhere around here. Where are they?
Salish.
Oh, this is Nick DiGiovanni. He's the most popular chef on YouTube, and he's gonna teach me how to make a 5-star hibachi meal.
I'm gonna try at least. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, come on into my kitchen.
Da-da-da-da! Best burgers in LA. The only thing I haven't actually asked for permission, so I gotta convince them to teach me how to make their one and only smash burger. Let's go. Hi, how are you? Crazy question. Are you a parent?
Yeah, I'm a 5-year-old boy.
Dad to dad. Dad to dad. I need to beat my daughter in this competition. We got a food critic coming at the end of the day. If you could teach me how to make an awesome smash burger, I could maybe win this competition.
You sold me.
Actually,
Let's do it.
Really? Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go. Okay. I'm gonna serve smash burgers today. Before we serve all our guests, we need to learn how to cook and at least how to build a restaurant.
First, you're gonna need an apron. There we go.
Oh, okay.
Well, there's 3 very important things that you need to be thinking about, okay? The first one, atmosphere.
You mean vibe? Bro, how
Sure.
old are
The
you?
vibes. I don't know the slang sometimes. For the vibes, make everything look expensive. Make
Wait, I gotta get my notes.
Make it look like someplace that people want to come and actually eat, okay?
Okay.
Second thing, the service. Look at me carefully. Remember, customer is always right.
Customers can be wrong.
I don't know what to do with you.
Okay.
Now, this is very important. You need a name for your restaurant. What's the name?
Buy my food. Don't worry, I'm gonna make it sound French. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be like moi food. Food. It's a work in progress. It's gonna take a little bit.
That's okay. You'll think of it as you go.
Yeah.
Number 3, the food. That is, to me, the most important thing. You can have the ugliest restaurant, but if the food is delicious, nothing else really matters.
Food matters.
So you got a double smash burger, cheese, pickles, and a special sauce, right?
And this one has griddled onions in there as well.
And you're gonna teach me how to do this?
Yes, let's do it.
Amazing.
Come on.
Oh, if the food critic likes burgers, I'm gonna win this thing.
Training begins now. A little bit of oil
Oh, wait,
down
wait,
onto
wait,
the top.
Wait, I'm not ready yet.
We're gonna start with the food that is the largest.
Ew!
What? It's a beautiful filet mignon. Look at it.
I forgot to tell you, my restaurant is vegetarian hibachi.
Watch the principles. If you can get the basics, you can get everything.
Okay.
There should be salt all over. It's okay if you even get a little bit on yourself. Vegetables, you're gonna like these. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
We're gonna get 2 patties on a very hot griddle. All we do is salt.
2 patties and salt.
Now we're gonna do the smashing. As soon as that meat starts coming out at the end, we're good.
Okay, oh wow.
Right.
Here we go.
Ah, there you go. That is perfect.
Okay.
1 slice of American on each patty.
Okay, 1 slice.
Onion volcano. The visual, the experience is so important for
Onion
people.
volcano.
Put
Okay.
this down, a little bit of oil.
What's that?
I can't tell you, that's my secret
I
ingredient.
kind of need to know.
Look at that. See that? Don't be afraid of the flame either.
You're touching it. I kind of need to know the secret sauce if I'm gonna make the thing.
Well, some stuff has to stay a secret.
Okay, so I take that and I put it on top of that?
Right, there you go. See what you got.
Okay. Oh,
You're good, you're good. Not ideal. I'm not sure if he's ready to do this.
I can do it.
Dude, you were overcooking it.
okay,
Let's get that off the grill.
Okay, got it. Okay, now what?
Right here, right on top of this mustard. Steady, steady.
I'm just like,
be
it's
too
not wanting to
nervous.
come off. Why is it not? Oh.
Oh boy.
If you're a vegetarian, why don't you just make some vegetable fried rice?
Okay.
Rice goes down, okay? Throw it on there.
It's a lot of rice.
A blend of seaweed, sesame
Seaweed.
seeds. This is gonna give us all kinds of umami, okay?
What's umami?
Umami is savory. That flavor comes from things like the crust on a steak. Look, if I flip this over, look at the browning that I got on this. That's flavor. That's what that is.
Do you mind if I fix this a little bit?
I don't mind.
All right. So you mentioned you have a food critic judging this?
Yeah.
It's gonna have to look a little bit prettier than this.
Okay, that was my bad.
Special sauce.
What's in it?
If I told you,
I gotta make the sauce for my meal tonight.
Special.
And remember, it's always important that with hibachi, you need to have fun presentation. Now, get out of here.
Okay.
Don't forget your hibachi uniform.
Okay. Thank you.
She's cooked.
Oh, come on, let's go.
Yes.
Thank you so much. You got any advice before I go?
I would say put some gold wrapping on that, and I think you have it in the bag.
Gold wrapping, is that a thing?
Yeah, you get it at Michael's.
Okay, I'll do it. Awesome, let's go. All right, thank you again. Everybody eat it, proudly serving. They're awesome. Thank you.
I'm just a little bit confused, but I think I got it.
Okay, this is incredible. Salish has no idea what she's doing, and I've already gotten a lesson on how to make the ultimate golden smash burger. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna call Salish to see what she's doing. It says she's in downtown LA. Okay, I'm calling her.
My dad's calling me. Colin, I can't have him know what I'm doing. Okay. Hi, Dad.
Hey, little girl, what are you doing in downtown LA?
Nothing.
Listen, it doesn't matter. I want you to know I am so prepared to beat you this time. The food critic is going to love what I'm doing.
Okay, bye.
No, you're not gonna win.
I'm gonna win, bye.
I'm going to do. Say, she hung up on me. Good, we got a lot to do. Let's go.
We gotta go and start making food.
I gotta go to Target right now to get the food, and then I gotta go to Michael's and find a gold wrap that's edible that I can make a golden hamburger. Because if I can do that, that's actually super sick.
We gotta get a couple things. Nick said the vibe has to be amazing, service has to be amazing, and the food obviously has to be good. What can we get for that?
I don't know.
Let's go to Home Decor first.
Now I'm in Target. I need to get something to wear. I need to get all the utensils for grilling, and I need to get food. So come on, we gotta go, Ari. And I think those are pretty much the items I need to impress the food critic. But what I didn't expect is that Salish would be in the exact same Target at the same time.
I think we should get a clock because a clock will tell people hurry up, get out of here.
Burgers. Okay. I need the press thing to smash. It has the sear. It has the sear. Come on. Let's go. Okay. Got my burger kit.
Oh, we need plants. I like this one and this one. And if people are taking a long time, I need to like that. Okay.
Say, what's your vibe?
A clean, expensive hibachi. I think that's what the food critic will like.
I only have a few hours and $1,000 and a grill. So what I'm gonna do is the best backyard cookout, messy, cheap burger shack vibe, you know, nostalgic. So I'm gonna go with like a bright, colorful paper plate. You would never use like a nice plate in a burger joint. Use paper plates.
Let's get utensils.
Next, food, the most important part, and I just found the ultimate burgers for smashing. Let's go, hurry, come on. Medium cheddar. I'm stressing out. There's such a hurry. What in the world would Salish be doing right now?
What if we get a basket and then we put a bunch of blankets and pillows in it in case they want to be warmer?
I like
Is that a good idea?
That's good. That's
All right,
comfy.
is this one good? And we'll get a gray one so they match?
Yeah, it's
All right,
perfect.
bet.
Hamburger dill pickles, ketchup, and mustard. This and this. The bun is super important. I'm gonna get a bunch of these. And then I'm gonna have to wrap this with gold. Wait, Chick-fil-A sauce? I can call it special sauce. I'm gonna put tape over this and call it Jordan special sauce. Matter Cup is mine. Salish is making me 3 meals a day, every day for a week, and I'm gonna be super picky.
Say, have you ever cooked on a grill before?
No, but I got it. It's easy. You just go
You know you need a propane tank to fuel a grill, right?
What's that?
Exactly.
Okay, well, we'll add that onto the list. I think I've gotten enough stuff for the vibe. Now it's time to get stuff for the actual hibachi. Let's go. We need rice, vegetables.
It's crazy how close we are to each other right now. And whoever finds out that we're in the same Target at the same time will clearly have an advantage with this challenge. I'm almost done shopping. I got my outfit. I got everything I need. And Salish, I'll bet she's still floundering in downtown LA. I'm gonna win this thing so easy. Matter Cup is mine.
Colin, Rowan! My dad is right there. So I need to go get a new cart and get ingredients. You just get the rest of the stuff for the checkout?
I have to buy everything.
Yes, thank you.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go classic chip, man. It's all I can do. I'm afraid this is the wrong decision. I'm stressed out about it.
I don't want my dad to see anything that we buy, so that's why I sent Rowan with the decoration cart away. Now we got an empty cart for all the ingredients, but I'm gonna go try and spy on my dad to see what he's planning. Colin, be low key.
But I just think classic for a restaurant would have nice chips.
It's getting chips.
That's not very fancy. Wait.
May I ask you, sir?
He's talking to the guy right now. He's telling him everything.
I'm stressing out. I'm making smash burgers, and I have to win a contest, and I need chips to go with the burger. What chip would you recommend?
Say, come back.
Find a secret.
What are you doing? Salish. What are you, Salish? What Salish? What are you... what are you doing?
Nothing.
Why are you here?
I need to get a new lip gloss. You said he told me. Who told you?
Have you been spying on me
What
this
does
whole
my
time?
name start with?
Well, where were you? Tell me where you were. I'll tell you where I was.
Okay, bro.
Uh-oh, wow.
We found a car. Okay, yo, Rowan, just bring the blanket, please. Oh, Rowan, thank you. Now I can hide everything that I'm getting.
I hear Salish talking, so I'm gonna go spy on her now.
We just had sparkling water really quick.
She's getting sparkling water.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What ingredients does he have?
No, I was looking for just getting something to this. No.
Are you making burgers?
No, nothing. What do you need sparkling water for, say?
Okay, no.
Why do you need sparkling? Oh, jeez. Fine, I'll see you when I get home.
All right, I got this. Okay, let's start off with vegetables.
This is gonna be such an easy win for me. She doesn't have anything. She hasn't figured anything out. She doesn't know how to cook. She's going to the candy aisle. Meanwhile, I'm gonna make the ultimate smash burger. Let's go.
Carrots, peppers.
We need rice.
Ooh, yeah, and we need eggs.
Ooh, these are the best eggs.
No, but these ones that, like, chickens are raised human.
Let's go, come on, Larry. I looked online, there's only a few gold strips left. I need at least 10 of them, so I gotta do it in a hurry before they sell out, because honestly, the gold thing, that's my whole hook, right?
Let's get Jasmine. He had, like, a special kind of oil. Okay, let's get olive oil, but let's also get, like, coconut oil, just in case.
Next, Michael's.
Oh, we need spices. Salt, pepper, and garlic.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
We gotta go, let's hurry.
Are you Team Jordan? You are actually, wait, what? You know, right now I'm competing against Salish. We're each building a restaurant. We have a food critic coming at the end of the day, and one of us is gonna win the Matter Cup today.
I feel like you're gonna win.
You think so, Ashley?
Salish, I'm sorry.
Nick taught me how to do hibachi. I'm gonna be amazing at it.
Say, I saw your notes, dude.
He taught me how to do it. I got all the things. I'm gonna check out, gotta get back to the house, set up the restaurant, and I'm obviously gonna win.
It is edible gold sheets. Finest gold beef. Wait. Edible. Right there. Look, it says this is genuine edible gold. And for only $8. Okay, come on. I got my gold sheet. I'm gonna wrap my burger with it. Matter Cup is mine. Let's go, Team Jordan.
Say, are you gonna like make banners for the name?
Yeah.
What was the name again?
Bois, moi, fou.
What does that mean?
Buy my food.
I don't have much time. I gotta set this thing. Oh, the grill. I'm gonna make the best smash burgers in history. Let's go see what Salish is doing.
We gotta figure out all the decorations for the vibe.
Oh, the back door's open. I need to know Salish's plan. What are you doing? That's nice. Ow. Okay, I'm leaving.
No.
Rice, why would you need rice? You're making rice on a grill?
You're not allowed to be out here.
Then don't come to my space. No. Salish, no. We're not going
They also have a grill. All right, we're not gonna go to each other's spaces.
Okay, here we go. All right, bye. Good luck. I'm gonna win the Matter Cup.
Okay, bruh.
Wait, Ari, did you see that she has a propane tank? Like the gas. I totally forgot. I do not have time. I just said this. I do not. Okay, I gotta steal hers. I'm gonna send her out and tell her there's Uber Eats. She's gonna come out. I'm gonna steal the tank. Hey, Salish.
Yeah?
You have Uber Eats out there.
I didn't order anything, did you?
I just have to use the bathroom real quick.
I didn't order food.
I have to hurry before she realizes there's no Uber Eats.
What did you end up getting?
I didn't get anything.
I have to hide this before she comes back in the house.
Why is there's nothing there?
He's looking at my food! Hey!
What?
Stealing
No.
my propane tank!
I don't have one. Can I use yours?
You gotta go get your own, and now that we're sabotaging each other, game on, bruh.
Salish, what are you gonna do?
I don't know.
I'm behind schedule. Gotta go to Home Depot, get a propane tank really quickly. And who knows what sabotage is waiting for me when I get home.
I had a feeling he was gonna do something like that, so I already have some ideas. But first, I'm gonna bring in the team to help me with the restaurant. Hey! Thank you so much, Del. Thank you, Carson. Thank you. I need a bouncer for my restaurant so that I can keep my dad from getting in the front door. Hi, Mr. Smiley. Okay, basically, you need to be the bouncer. If he tries to do anything, just like
Use my karate.
yeah, karate. I have to go back there and set up the restaurant. Thank you so much, Mr. Smiley.
Can you tell me where propane tanks are, please?
Aisle 1.
Easy. I need to hurry up and get that propane tank before I run out of time. They say aisle 1, and where are the propane tanks? Do you sell propane tanks anywhere?
You can pay for those at the self-checkout.
Oh, outside. You think that worker who sent me down aisle 1 is also Team Salish?
We're gonna put bubble wrap down. If he walks, you'll hear the bubble wrap and you'll hear the rock. Rowan, can you help me? Do you see that window up there? Grab a bucket of cold water, and if my dad tries to sabotage the restaurant, pour it on him.
Like, you're saying I can do that to my boss?
Yep. I'll do that. He looks so excited. Okay.
Yes, propane. Can you give me the extra special win a competition propane tank?
That's the one right there.
There we go. Could you just say Team Jordan? Could you?
Team Jordan.
Team Jordan. Home Depot is representing Team Jordan. Okay, how far away did I have to park? These things are seriously heavy. I got a lot to do.
I've got Mr. Smiley in the front, bubble wrap on the side with Rowan, and for the last trap, I'm gonna set up a slip and slide. It's really slippery because of the soap and water. And then, Dad!
What?
Del, I need you to hold this hose, and whenever my dad comes to try and sabotage us, you have to spray him.
I can do that. I've been waiting to do this.
You just go like this. Del, don't get me wet. Don't get me wet. No!
I guess that's how you use the
I think
hose.
she's got it. All right.
What do critics look like? If they're one of these like high-end critics, I'm cooked.
My food is gonna be so good, bro. I'm just gonna put a lot of vegetables and some jasmine rice. Broccoli is pretty easy to cut. Cut the stem off and then cut whatever.
All right, I've got everything I need now and go check on Salish, see what she's up to. And hey, Mr. Smiley, what are you doing here?
What's going on?
I just want to go see my daughter.
No. Reservations only. It's a 5-star establishment, suit and tie. You got flip-flops on.
This is my house, so I'm gonna go in. Salish hired a bouncer to keep me out of my own house. I have to know what's going on back there. I'm going this way, Smiley.
I ain't seen nothing, Miss Matter.
Oh, way to go. Team Jordan, right? You never stood a chance, Salish.
Hold on. Hi, my dad.
I think he's trying to come back. He's trying to come back.
They're all right around there. He's coming.
Oh my gosh.
What? Oh, go, Rowan! You are so fired!
She told me to.
Do you still want to come? You don't know what else is waiting for you over here.
Game on, Salish. Good thing I got a bunch of clothes in my office, so I'll be changed and back to go in 5 minutes. Game on.
Bruh, cooking is so easy. A lot of salt on it.
There should be salt all over, okay? It's okay if you even get a little bit on yourself.
Now we gotta do the onion.
Remember how to hold the knife, though?
You actually pinch your fingers around the base of the blade, and then you wrap the rest of your fingers around, and that's how you cut.
I think we gotta look at the notes again.
No, I don't, because look, this is how you make the thing. So there's one tower. Oh, I don't even need Nick.
If you call him, it'll
Yeah?
make it a lot easier. I'm telling you.
Colin, I don't need help. Stop.
She's cooked.
I'm gonna sneak around to the other side of the house and figure out what she's cooking.
Where would more salt be? Wait, go on. My dad's coming. Go.
She set another trap for me, but this one should be easy.
He's coming.
She thinks I'm gonna step on the slip and slide and fall down. Come on, use your head. I'm just gonna pick it up.
He just lifted it up. Okay, go. Go down, go! Yeah! Go down!
Go, man!
Don't try that again, Jordan.
I think I've got a new plan. And the best part about it, Salish can't do anything to stop it.
All right, I think lighting's really important to the vibe of the restaurant, so I'm gonna hang this light right here. We have to put 2 round tables right here and the grill right there.
Okay, I got a plan.
How many black t-shirts do you have?
I got a lot. Come here. I'm just gonna put the drone over there and I'm gonna see what Salish is doing.
All right, this is the entrance.
Let's go over the roof and now around the other side. She's like tablecloths and tables.
Salish,
What?
there's the drone.
Wait, let's see. They have soy sauce, vegetables. Is she doing freaking hibachi?
Wait, there's a drone.
Who are all these people? Her place has aura. I got no aura out there. She's got a ton of it.
Come on, help me.
Oh no.
How am I supposed to help? It's
How do I get it away?
She's trying to knock it down. Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna be in trouble. We gotta get out of here because I haven't even practiced my burgers yet, but I know one thing, my restaurant is ugly and hers is beautiful. I thought I had this thing in the bag, but I never even thought about making the patio look like an actual restaurant. I really have to hurry because the customers will be here in less than an
The
hour.
restaurant's looking so good. Now, I just have to learn how to cook with vegetables. The food critic is gonna rate me like on 100. How do you do it with one arm? Ah!
okay.
It's fine, I'm recovering. Look at how well this is going.
Maybe just call Nick and see if he wants to come.
It's gonna be amazing. I love soy sauce. Do you see how good this looks? Ah!
The restaurant opens in like 30 minutes.
Okay, yeah. Here you go.
It's
No,
fine.
try it. You have to try it.
Bruh. Maybe stick to everything else, the food, not your thing.
We're at Party City. We gotta hurry because I have to very quickly make my vibe and I don't have time or money for that, so I'm gonna do balloons. And then I'm gonna have them blow them up from here. She's got everybody helping her. I've got nobody.
I think I can do this myself, but Colin convinced me I need to call Nick for help. Hi, Nick. I was wondering if you could cook all my food for me?
Oh, you just want me to do everything?
No, I'm gonna be the host.
I think I could be there in like 20 minutes.
All right, just please go as fast as you can. Thank you so much.
See you soon.
What I just realized is everybody on my team is Team Salish. Okay, I've got Ari. I said it that way because I actually think you're Team Salish too.
I need to practice being the hostess. Rowan! Just pretend like you're a customer, okay? 3, 2, 1. Hello.
Hi.
Shush!
Ow, ow, okay.
Here you go.
That's not good service, Salish.
Dr. Pepper or sparkling water?
Okay, I'll have sparkling water.
I'll get you a Dr. Pepper.
Okay, cool. If that's how she treats the food critic, it's gonna be really bad.
You put French vanilla. This is the Salish special Dr. Pepper.
Yeah. Salish! Oh, finally! What took so long?
I made you a dirty Dr. Pepper.
What's a dirty Dr. Pepper? No. That's for me. That's the customer's drink.
It's good.
What'd you put in that?
Thank you.
I do not have much time. I gotta set up my whole restaurant. I don't even know where to start with this. Oh.
I feel bad about what happened earlier.
No.
I'm just gonna give you a few tips.
Thank you. Will you help me?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, I think I could do this. This kind of blocks the whole vibe. I'm gonna take this off.
I'm not cheating. I'm just like looking. Wait, Del, why are you helping him?
Oh, bye. Come on, I'm trying to do things. No. Okay, Salish. No, I can't make a burger without buns. Wait a minute, look. Ha! Salish is little. From up there, she can never get it. I don't have much time before the food critic gets here, so I gotta get back to this. Why is this thing not working? It's not coming off. That didn't just happen. No! That's all you put on a smash burger, cheese and pickles. I don't have any pickles.
It seems like we're in a pickle.
If you lose your cool, bad things happen. Wait a minute. Wait right here. I had backup pickles. Now they're like half empty. What happened?
These are really good. Should I just eat them?
If you eat all of them, he's not gonna be able to make his burgers. Thanks.
Customers are gonna be here like any minute. It's ready to go. This is my secret weapon.
Yo, Jordan, what are you doing? Are you good?
Just trying to remember everything I learned.
Oh yeah, you have to take some extra time to remember things at your age.
Ouch.
Team Jordan! Team Jordan! Woohoo!
Wait, why did I get mild cheddar and medium cheddar? What? A smash burger is American cheese. I'm doing it with cheddar. I got the wrong cheese. My ambiance isn't great. At the very least, I can look the part. Grand opening of Jordan's Burger Shack. I should have gotten a sign. I don't have a sign.
All right, the food critic is about to be here, but I need to light all of these candles because that's really important for the vibe. Can you fill this with Dr. Pepper? And we'll have a Dr. Pepper one and a water one.
I can't make gold burgers. This is my secret weapon. Look, it's falling apart. We're not gonna do golden burgers. We're gonna just make a good smash burger and hope Salish just bombs. I'm so sure I'm gonna win, I'm putting the Matter Cup right where it belongs. Now that the customers are starting to arrive, I would like to announce the grand opening of Jordan's Burger Shack. Don't everybody clap at once. Could you cue like applause sound or something? Clapping for myself. Okay, here we go. Jordan's Burger Shack is now open for business. Every customer is my best customer. But if you're a food critic, just remember, like, I really, really need this win. We have one thing, which is a smash burger. I thought I would have time to practice. I did a drone and there was sabotaging, and then I saw that she had a 5-star. How about those balloons, huh? Boom. Doesn't that smell great?
Are you just using American cheese? Do you add any other spices or just salt?
What's the gold flakes on that one bun?
Wow, you guys have a lot of questions. I'm gonna be honest, I wanted to make golden burgers and that fell apart. Here's the secret. I put the burgers too close together. You know what? Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I'm going for it. That looks good to me.
I'm a little worried for you because that one in the middle looks like it's a little too close to the one at the end.
This one right here is really concerning me. I don't think I did it completely right. Why does this keep happening? I think my second round is gonna be a lot better. This is my practice round. Once the cheese goes on, you can't really see what the burger looks like, which is a really good sign for me. Don't look at the bun that just fell on the ground. This is stressing me out. That wasn't a fart. I knew you thought that was a fart. I would never fart. Come on now. Now this is gonna be delicious. My special sauce. And Chick-fil-A. No, it's not Chick-fil-A. Sure, fine, it's Chick-fil-A. We're supposed to mask that. I forgot the tape. I'm gonna put tape over this and call it Jordan Special Sauce. My first ever Jordan Burger Shack burger goes to, we all know, the critic.
Really good.
Really good. Like, actually, come on.
I need something to drink. You have anything to drink?
Jordan, you forgot the drinks.
Oh, you know what's real, and this is what's really special about my restaurant that nobody else does? Bathroom faucet water. You might think it's
Hey
weird,
everybody, I have Dr. Pepper.
Did you steal this from Salish? I don't mean to brag, it's my restaurant, but I kind of think I nailed it.
I'm gonna go spy on them and see if they like my dad's stuff. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
I saw that you're using my Dr. Pepper.
Well, everybody, thanks Salish for the Dr. Pepper. Give it up to Salish. But don't give her extra credit if you're a critic. 1, 2, 3, Team Jordan.
Team Salish.
Do you happen to have pickles?
Pickles! I forgot about my
I
pickles!
forgot about pickles because I ate them.
Thanks.
Needed a pickle, but very good.
I think my burger's getting cold.
I'm gonna get you your burgers right now.
So we're not eating?
It's a lot of work over here.
I feel like the critic is sitting down. I'm gonna try really hard to impress the woman that's sitting.
Are you supposed to put your
I'm
hand
supposed to use a fork probably. Look at that though. Here, I'm gonna give you your pickle. Here's your pickle.
I'm so ready for the critic. I've got menus. Food, bocce, drinks, pink drink, Dr. Pepper, sparkling water.
It says only pink.
Yeah, there's sparkling water, Dr. Pepper, and water.
Oh, that's weird. It's like...
Okay, follow the red carpet so you don't get lost in any of this. We've got red, fire, TV.
Wait, what about your uniform?
Shoot.
Do you eat out a lot?
I'm a big burger fan, that's
Yeah?
for sure.
Oh, cool. When you eat out, do you like ever sit down and write about what you ate?
No.
All right, well, there you go.
Is that just one pickle?
I've researched it for years. One pickle smash burger is the best smash burger. Hi.
Hi.
You look a lot like a critic, so I'm gonna give you the really special burger.
Yeah, right.
Look how stupid this outfit looks. It looked way different on Amazon. I'm not wearing this, I'm sorry. Here, you can wear it.
Do you have any other options for cheese?
Everybody does American, and I want cheddar.
Okay.
I could have done American. It's not like I forgot it at the grocery store. I only bought cheddar intentionally. Enjoy.
Thank you.
I appreciate you waiting. This is the best burger, except those, you guys got the best ones too.
I'll have the pickle on the side to cleanse my palate.
That sounded like a critic kind of thing to say.
This is actually really good. The meat is well cooked. Extra ketchup is my favorite.
I was told these would be golden burgers.
For my grand opening, I didn't want to have a gimmick. Why don't you just have your
Okay,
burger,
okay.
and I hope you enjoy it. But I just want to say, because you're about to go have a 5-star experience, sometimes simple food is authentic food, and it's the best food. Thank you, and please come back to Jordan's Burger Shack. Thank you. Okay, I'm cooked.
It turned out really well. It was cooked. It wasn't raw. I was expecting it to be raw, and it was good.
Go, 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 go. Hi, would you like to be seated?
Yes, I would.
Here's the menu. Everybody come with me.
Thank you.
I think the food critic is the one with big silver hoops.
What does bon moi voir mean?
It means buy my food.
Ah!
You guys can come sit at this table.
Only one thing on the menu. Very interesting.
I've got my eye on 3 people that might be the critics, so I'm gonna put them in the front and seat them. Excuse me, would you like to come sit at the front with us?
Yes.
Your seat's right over there. She looks very professional.
And then there was 3.
There is some water in here and some Dr. Pepper in there.
I think we're actually just all hungry here.
Okay. Drinks first? Okay. Everyone settle down. Nick's still not here and I need him to do this. So what are we having? We are having vegetarian fried rice.
Okay.
Excuse me 1 second. Colin, I don't know when he's gonna be here.
Say, you're just gonna have to wing it, dude. I think...
I can't. Let's just go, come on. Hi everybody. I'm just gonna show you the onion tower volcano. Woo! You put 1 onion. You put 2 onions.
Valiant effort.
Guys, I'm just kidding. Of course I know how to do the onion tower, but that's the coolest thing, so I am saving it for last. But don't worry, I know how to do it. Rice is going in. Anyone want a zucchini? Woo! Nick's still not here.
I think Nick needs to be here now.
Okay, I know, but he'll come and do the tower for me. I think the critic is the woman in the middle. She seems very stuffed. While the veggies are cooking, I'm gonna do some tricks, okay?
I was literally thinking, that's not what you're cooking with.
No, of course not. So, what I'm gonna do is take this. Don't you worry. I see you look a little worried. Where is an egg? 1 second. Colin!
You're fumbling, dude.
Where's eggs?
We need Nick now.
I know. I'm not doing very well, am I?
It was a good burger, and like he put on a nice show.
Yeah, and it was
But he actually made the food with the chef. I don't know what's happening here at all.
Woo! Where did that
Oh, come on.
No! It adds flavor.
Oh, I'm exhausted, but you know what? I made the food, they seem to like it, and Salish has absolutely no idea what she's doing.
Oh, hey, Jordan.
Was that Nick? Was that actually Nick? No way!
Hey everybody, I actually am the executive head chef of Bon Moi Foie, and I'm gonna be making you some delicious fried rice. Let's get rid of this.
Wait! What are you talking about? You have the best chef on YouTube to cook?
No, you can have a chef. You used my Dr. Pepper. Now get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
It's not fair. That's not fair. How they get the best chef on all of YouTube to cook for Salish for free? It's fair because she's not paying him, and we never said you couldn't have a chef. It's just like, why didn't I think of that?
Could we try some of that out of curiosity?
Yes.
Okay, how's that?
Perfect.
Moi Foie has ice in their Dr. Pepper, not like my dad's restaurant. Whoever the critic is, please remember that. Good job. You got this.
I could have called him and asked them, but she did it first. All
right, are you sure this is gonna be good?
I'm gonna make it perfect.
Okay.
And I'm also using my seasoning, so.
Oh, that's good.
That's one of my secret ingredients that I couldn't tell you about earlier. This is gonna give it a boost of flavor that makes a perfect fried
Well, I
rice.
think they probably want a boost of flavor.
They definitely want a boost of flavor. You should be focused right now on the service.
My hope is the critic realizes that Salish didn't even do her own cooking, and somehow that helps me with points. The truth is, it's totally fair that she brought in an incredible chef to cook for her.
I could pop the bottle. How do I take it off? Maybe not at my face.
Here you go.
Yeah! Woo! Who wants Prosecco? Sure. There you go. There you go.
In a couple minutes, we're gonna find out who's the critic and who won the Matter Cup.
So, who's the critic? Are you the critic?
I think that's for us to know and you to
Are you
find
the
out.
critic? Oh, he might be the critic.
I'm cooked. You never know, though. I gave them a good time. They're all smiling, laughing. Cue some shots, right? They look happy. And the burgers were good. Smash burger, vegetarian fried rice. I go smash burger any day, even if Nick DiGiovanni is cooking.
All right, dinner is served, and let's give it up for Nick DiGiovanni. Thank you.
Bye, guys. Oh, bye, Jordan.
I think it's the person in the middle, and she looks like she's enjoying it. Oh, she's examining it. She likes diving.
The seasoning's really good, right?
Really good. This is not bad.
Well, you've had an opportunity to eat at both of our restaurants, and I hope you enjoyed both of them. Now it's time to find out who's the critic, and that critic is gonna make a judgment that's gonna make sure that one of us wins the Matter Cup.
It's gonna be me.
It's gonna be me.
All right.
On the count of three, with the mystery critic, please step forward. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no! I gave you a bad burger!
You weren't even gonna give me a burger. So we're not eating?
No, round two, here it comes. It's a lot of work over here. Oh!
At least she put me in the front.
I'm cooked.
Hi, I'm Nadia. I'm a food critic for the Food Network and 8 years of culinary. I loved your decor.
Thank you.
I loved what you did. It was
Thank
so
you.
cool.
Thank you.
But when you brought in another chef,
Yeah.
my treasure just needed some salt. When you put the plastic in it, I was kind of worried. You needed some pepper, but I mean, that was insane, Jordan. I think we have a clear winner.
What? No way! Actually, no way!
Yeah.
Oh, she's got to give me food for a week. Are you kidding me?
I'm not doing that.
I mean, if you didn't bring in the chef, then maybe.
Colin, this is your fault.
What?
You told me to get the chef.
Yeah, let's call Nick.
Colin!
No!
Colin! You told me to get the chef. Colin, I could do it.
The Matter Cup is mine. I'm eating for free for a week. Let's go, Team Jordan!
Today, I'm gonna build a secret room in school to hide from the principal.
Where is she? And if she gets caught, I win the Matter Cup.
Dad, just stop.
No, but it's not a...
Dad, just stop.
I think it's cool. Salish thinks she can build a secret room somewhere in this school while going to every class and not getting caught while she's doing it.
Salish, where were you?
This is gonna be so easy.
I am going to be in this room all day watching you on this monitor. The second you get caught, you lose.
Yeah. Can I see your phone?
My phone?
Please. Thank you. Bye.
Where are you going? Hold on. Whoa.
See ya.
What?
Have fun, Dad.
Salish, actually, no, let me out. You gotta be kidding me.
I had to take his phone and lock him in the room because he's gonna tell the principal where I am.
Are we just like stuck in here?
I guess we are.
Are you kidding me?
I'm under strict instructions to not let him out of that room.
Let me out.
And obviously the principal gave me the key so I can open any door to any secret room. This is gonna be so hard. I have to find the secret room, build it, and I can't get caught. How am I gonna do this?
I can just call somebody. Are you kidding? It's not working. Password protected computer, no dial tone on the phone, both doors are locked. Salish, you are not gonna make it through the rest of the day, Salish, I guarantee you.
I need to get my classmates' ideas on how to decorate the room without my teacher knowing.
I get to see everything she's doing on this monitor.
Good morning, class. How's everyone today?
The school has given us permission to film, but we can't disrupt class, and Salish is supposed to follow all the school rules. We'll see how that goes.
I'm gonna try right Salish. So I'm gonna say, what do you want in the secret room?
Salish somehow got permission from the principal to build a secret room somewhere in this school. At the end of the day, the principal will have 30 minutes to find Salish in her secret room. I'm gonna get her. If he does, she gets detention for a week, and I get the Matter Cup. Boom! If he doesn't find her, the students get to keep the secret room for the rest of the school year, and I'm gonna have to do dishes yet again.
Anybody here who's familiar with the phrase to be or not to be? 2, 3, 4.
Why would she be passing a note?
How about we'll start right here?
The rule is if Salish is caught doing anything that would send her to the principal's office, she automatically loses. Passing notes and vlogging absolutely would do that.
Very nice. A round of applause for Carter here.
Pass it to someone else. Right here. Oh, he passed it to her.
Are you kidding me? Look at this. How is she getting away with this right now? You gotta be kidding. It's like right there in front of the teacher. You're vlogging and passing around notes. If the teacher catches you, this whole thing is over.
I must confess that
How can an entire class pass a note and the teacher doesn't see it?
Eyes up here, please.
Come, and come. You shall go a single life. Come to.
All right, who's next here? Let's see. Carolina, why don't you come up and read for us?
That girl has the note. She has to go up now?
I'm gonna have you read right. The captain of our fairy band.
She has the note in her hand. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Ta-da!
Bravo, bravo. All right.
She's considering everybody in the class and making sure that all the students have what they want in the secret room. That's awesome. If you get to keep it, which you won't, because I'm winning the Matter Cup.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Okay, make it quick.
Okay.
Do not fall for the bathroom thing! She just got into class. She doesn't have to go to the bathroom already. Come on!
God, we have to hurry up.
If I scream loud enough, will somebody hear me?
I can't believe that worked. I have everybody's ideas for the secret room. Now I just have to find it. I have at most 15 minutes to find this room before she gets suspicious.
It's a half day at school, so she doesn't even get her normal 7 hours to complete this challenge.
Hudson, I need your help. Are you free right now?
No.
I mean, yeah, what do you need?
I have to build a secret room in the school without the principal knowing.
Okay, what do you need?
I have a list of everything that I need. Can you go to Target and buy it and then drop it off here? Some of the things are LED lights, pillows, a TV.
Okay, just send me a list, please.
We were on Team Jordan together. Remember? Hide and seek. I was on your team, dude.
The kids are gonna love it. Hurry up, please. Thank you. Bye. Love you. Hurry up.
What are you doing?
Guess we gotta go to Target.
Wow, I think Hudson's Team Salish this time, finally.
I was literally on my way to go get a haircut. Guess that can wait. Salish has gotta build a secret room for the 12th time.
One rule for Salish's secret room. She has to create a new secret entrance to the room. And there's no way she'll be able to do that because she doesn't know how. Where is she?
Hey, Dad.
Whoa, hey.
How's it being in there?
It feels horrible. Come in and get me.
Do you miss your phone?
Yeah, can I have it?
No, bye-bye.
Dude, no, do not leave. Salish, don't leave. She left.
This could be a secret room. I don't know. I haven't seen inside of it yet. Okay. I don't really see anything in here that could make it look like a secret room.
How she thinks she's gonna construct a new secret room while she's sneaking around and going to classes? No chance.
I think we should keep looking. Might be good in here. Sandy! A ladder leading to the top.
This won't count.
Sandy, this is it. Come on.
It's not a secret entrance.
No!
Listen to Sandy say.
I got it!
No, doesn't count.
Come on, Sandy!
It's not a secret door.
Sandy, follow me!
You can't build a secret entrance on a roof, say. It's not gonna work.
Whoa! It's awesome up here, Sandy!
It doesn't count.
She's gonna get busted on the roof.
Say you're out of time, you gotta find a real room.
Okay, fine. I'm still keeping it as an option. Okay, time's ticking and I still don't have my room. Let's find it.
There's an entire section that is closed. Wouldn't she do it there? Don't you wanna start there?
There are no classes in this building, so if there's gonna be a secret room anywhere, it's gonna be here. Oh, whoa. Low-key kind of creepy in here, I'm not gonna lie.
The workshop is empty, so there's tools that she can use. No!
I don't know if I would hide in here because it's so creepy.
I know this workshop well. I embarrassed myself in this workshop.
Whoa. If you've ever seen any of these secret room videos, they always use the lockers as a secret room. This is so cool.
Locker could work.
This would be a perfect decoy. I have to find the best possible spot to make the secret room. Okay, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. All right, this is perfect. Let's see. Okay.
The room is huge, so you can't hide in there. There's no entrance to anything.
I don't know if we could make a secret room in this entire room because it might be too big.
How long is a kid on bathroom break? Can I get out of here through the roof? Oh. Guess not.
This would be so good, but the cabinets are not big enough. Wait a minute, the cabinet like goes past the wall. Does it connect to that wall?
It feels hollow.
Really?
Is Sandy helping her?
You can literally see light coming right throughout this cabinet. Okay, there's another room for sure. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. This is the perfect size for a secret room. It's for sure on this wall. So it's this one. I'm pretty sure it's this one.
One way to find out.
So there's a wall that is hollow with a cabinet, and then on the other side of the wall, there's a room that is completely empty.
The perfect secret room spot, but I am so late and I should be back to class already, so we gotta hurry up. Let's go.
She has to create a secret passageway to get into the room. Through the cabinet, maybe? I can't imagine she can do this.
Next step is to build it, but I hope I'm not in trouble because I was gone for a while.
This could be a send her to principal thing, right? She was out too long.
Salish, that was an awfully long bathroom break.
Yeah, well, I got lost, and then there was like a long line at the bathroom, and then this girl needed help with her locker because it was jammed, and then the janitor had to come to like unjam the locker, and then...
She's just making stuff up.
Okay, all right, well, you're behind on your essay. Go ahead and start writing so you can catch up. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that worked. There's only a couple minutes left in this class, but we should start on this essay so I don't get in more trouble.
All right, you guys, great job today. Bye.
Okay, now we have to go get started on the secret room. Before I get to gym class, I have to make a really important phone call. Sandy, don't listen. Hey, can you come to school and bring... Come as soon as you can. Come as soon as you can.
Can you get, I can't hear her.
I don't want my dad to hear. Sandy? Okay, just come as fast as you can. Okay, bye.
So she's gonna have a helper now? How are you gonna get him in the school, Say?
We have tons of stuff to get, like LED lights, a TV, and tons of candy, and we have very limited time. We gotta hurry this up.
I can't be in here anymore. I'm going nuts in here. Haha! I'm going nuts in here. Let's see if they go nuts out there. Hello? Can you hear me now? I can do this all day.
We're gonna get tons and tons and tons of LED lights. Oh, that was not good. We gotta rush though. Putting as many as I can in here. Moving on.
Okay, you asked for it. I'm just gonna annoy you. Cause now we got bad blood. We used to be mad love.
I found a bunch of bean bags here. Let's see which one is most comfortable. It's very small. I don't think it would fit a kid.
Hudson, that's a pillow.
This is embarrassing. I'm gonna remember this. Like somebody just let me out of here. How's that feel? Audience out there, somebody wanna call somebody and let me out of here?
No secret room is complete without a bunch of candy and snacks, so we gotta get some stuff. We could do a little Coke and Mentos prank in there. Who doesn't like Reese's? I don't think Salish likes this kind of candy, but I'm the one shopping. Ooh. Not complete without some Feastables. I love these popcorners so much. Favorite chip ever. Mwah.
It's for the students.
What kind of chip should I get?
Talkies.
Talkies? All right, let's buy all of them. Dr. Pepper, Salish's favorite drink.
Seriously, they're not letting me out?
Salish would hate me if we didn't get some healthy snacks in the room, so I guess we gotta get some dried mango, yuck, frozen dried strawberries, disgusting. Balloons, disco ball, DJ set, we have so much more to get.
Salish, if I have to sit in here all day, I don't care because I'm gonna be top matter. Team Jordan, let's go! Woo!
Salish wants me to get a massive speaker so that she can play music. Wouldn't the teacher be able to hear her and find the secret room? Whatever, we're gonna get the biggest one they have. Let's just get all this stuff. More balloons, more balloons. I think there's no way on earth she actually builds the secret room in time. Let's go.
All right, class, are you familiar with the world's greatest game, dodgeball?
Yeah.
Like, he's into his sports. She's vlogging again.
Once my helper texts me that he's here, then I'm gonna try and get eliminated so then I can sneak out of class and we can go build the secret room.
She's on her phone in class. Coach, if you see that this is over, turn your head and look at her. She's on her phone.
The losing team owes me sprints after this game. Team 1, are you ready?
Yeah!
Team 2, are you ready?
Yeah!
1, 1, 2, 3, dodgeball! Don't hit him in the head!
Oh, no.
Oh, she got hit.
Oh, I guess I'm out. No, sorry, team. You got it.
Wait, no. She was just standing there.
Sandy, you're making this secret room so hard. Bro, why are you filming me? Whoa, look at that. Sandy, look.
No, she's running away. We can't see her.
For the next part of the plan, I need to sneak into the front office. So I had to ditch Sandy because his camera is way too obvious.
Salish, where did you go?
I can't see anything. Now I've lost her. I have no idea where she is.
Okay, we have to hurry up though because we don't have that much time. Let's go.
This is actually frustrating because now she's just gone.
I know this looks really weird, but guys, just trust me. It's gonna help me so much. So let's go so that we can do the next part of our plan. Okay, thank you so much. Just gotta get back to class. Thank you. Oh my gosh, that actually worked. Yay! Okay, well, I got it. Let's go. Oh, hey, Sandy.
Finally.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, hey, you found me.
What is that?
Okay, you'll see. Let's just, come on.
What is she up to?
Okay, by the way, Dad, you're going down. This is gonna be so easy. You're going down.
Okay, Say. All right, you're taunting me.
Jeremy, finally you made it. Here you go.
Whoa, wait, okay.
Finally.
What is going on?
Oh, that is so smart. Jeremy builds secret rooms.
You have to wear that thing and then go through the office and meet me, okay?
Why do I have to wear this?
She's got the mascot costume. He's gonna sneak in. This is not happening right now.
Well, I have the best plan. Oh my gosh, it's actually so good. It's way better than your video.
Whoa. Why the heck would you hit me up then if yours is so better?
You need to cut and saw and build the stuff, okay?
Just as long as we don't get caught and I don't get in trouble, okay? This is not my fault. You're gonna take the blame for this?
Mm-hmm. You have to sneak in the mascot costume. Hurry up, go!
Well, do you have a game plan if they catch me?
You can figure that out. Let's go, come on!
Okay,
Put it on
go over there.
over there. Let's go, hurry up!
This monitor only shows me Salish's camera. I don't know what's happening with Jeremy.
I gotta be quick because Salish seemed like she was in a rush and I'm not trying to get caught because we're literally out front of the school right now. I really hope Salish does have a good plan though on how to make this secret room because I don't want to be the one who gets in trouble here. Oh yeah, Jeremy the mascot. Okay, I really hope this works out. Let's go. Come on.
If Jeremy comes to meet me right here, that means he's good and he didn't get caught. But if he doesn't, then he probably got caught. Okay. That's a substitute teacher. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's Jeremy?
You're kidding.
You look ridiculous.
Who look better in the mascot costume, me or Jeremy?
Why didn't you tell me about that? I'm a mess right now. I'm sweating.
Yeah, I can see. If you weren't wearing that costume, then the principal would have caught you and then the whole thing would be over. So.
Okay, well, let's get this started because I'm still kind of freaking out that we're in the middle of the school right now.
I'm gonna show you the room. Come on, you have to hurry up. You're going really slow.
I'm in a mascot costume.
It's so cool.
Oh.
At the end of the school day, this is gonna look awesome and the kids are gonna love it. The rule is I can't just lock this door. We have to make a secret passageway in the other room. Come on, let's go. That wall connects to another cabinet in there.
You're gonna break through a wall in the school?
Wait, what are we gonna use to drill through it though?
Get a drill thingy. I gotta go back to class.
What?
This is nuts.
I guess you said the workshop is right across from this classroom.
I hope the coach didn't notice. Hey, did we win? No?
She literally ditched class and now came back like nothing's happening.
Oh, we lost? Oh, okay.
If you send her to detention, it's all over.
Salish, hold on there. I need to talk to you a little bit.
Yeah?
She's so busted right now.
Where were you?
I was going, and then I just saw this girl, and then her thing, her locker was jammed, so I was helping her. Then I realized that all my books had dropped, so I had to go search for all my books to try and find them, and then finally I slipped
that's
on one.
all fine, Salish, but your team lost, and you're gonna have to do sprints.
Ugh, okay.
That's it?
Ugh, I thought I got away with it. This is such a waste of time. I have to finish the room.
Okay. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna cut a perfect square so Salish can put it back when she goes inside of the secret room. There is no way the principal's gonna find her. Let's do this. Now it's time to cut the perfect square. Oh my God, this is loud. I really hope I don't get caught. Oh my God. All right, so this is the cabinet from the other classroom. Now we're gonna cut that. Sayla shows me for this. Mission cut through the cabinet. Success. There we go.
Next thing on the schedule, it isn't a class, it's a school job. I have to be the librarian assistant.
This is a job, which means she's stuck there for the next hour.
Hi. I have a question. I'm building the Dream Student Lounge on campus. What's your favorite thing? Starbucks? Okay, if I put Starbucks in the room, will you do all the work for me today?
Don't fall for it.
Sure. Really? Yeah. Okay, perfect. I promise Starbucks will be in the room. Please don't tell anyone, but I promise. Thank you. Bye. And it better be light ice.
She's leaving her job. All I need is one teacher to see her skipping class and bust her, and this thing's over. That's mine.
Come on.
Let me see.
Look at this.
Whoa.
You can perfectly place this over, and you won't be able to tell a thing.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
The secret passageway is actually really, really good. I'm not sure if the principal will find her, but I'm hoping.
I saw some lockers earlier. Can you make a decoy there?
What am I supposed to use?
I don't know. I gotta get back to class, but you have to hurry. Bye.
Wait, what am I supposed to use?
Thank you.
So right here's a normal locker, but that's until I turn it into a secret locker. Let's get to work. All right, guys, I gotta be quiet. This is gonna look like a secret room when he opens up the door. Look at this.
Salish has this idea that since there's a teacher's lounge in school, there should also be a student's lounge, and so that's what she's building today, a secret student's lounge. If she gets away with it, it's pretty sick, but she won't, because that's my cup.
Jeremy, you want it?
Watch this, ready?
No,
look at this, look at this.
What? Jeremy, oh.
Look at that. This is the best decoy ever.
That's actually really brilliant.
Thank you so much. Bye, thank you.
Hey, whoa. How am I supposed to get out of the school? Salish!
Bye, thank you.
Salish!
Thanks to Nadal Fan for clipping our recent video and getting over 46,000 likes. Whoa! If you want to be featured next week, just clip a scene from this video and post it on TikTok or Shorts, and we will shout out the subscriber who gets the most likes.
Jeremy said that there was another decoy here, so now I have to try and find it. Is it like in this curtain? If I can't find it, the principal will for sure not be able to find it. It's not in there. I actually can't find it. Jeremy, you killed it. Should I just use this decoy as the room? Is it in one of these? No. Bro, where is it? Okay, Jeremy, I take it back. You are the expert. You're so good at this. I see it. This has to be a, oh my gosh, that's so good. And the principal probably wouldn't even be able to get to it. I couldn't find that for so long. Dad, honestly, I have 2 amazing secret rooms. Like, there's no way you're gonna win.
Oh yeah? Okay, well pick one then.
I have no idea how she's gonna get me into the school with all these bags.
Okay, so I have my costume in the back for Hudson, and this leads us to the parking lot. So I just need this thing as a helpful part of his costume. Let's go, come on. Hudson, come on.
What are you doing?
Huds, my boy, dude, you're killing me right now.
You have to put this costume on and you have to come into school. You're gonna be a custodian.
Oh.
I thought I was just dropping off the supplies easily. You're gonna get me into the school.
Yeah, there's 1, here's 2.
Why do we have this right here?
Because this sneaks in all the supplies.
How does she have time to plant?
All right.
Okay, go get changed. Meet me in the back, okay?
I got this, let's go.
Have fun.
Jeremy got in, but Hudson does not look like a janitor. 18-year-old janitor.
I guess we're actually doing this. I feel pretty good. There's my future job.
Hey, where's Salish?
I don't know.
She's been acting weird here today.
She sent me a note today.
Oh my God, if it's lunch, Salish can totally get away with this. She can just hide out during lunch. No.
All right, we're almost full. And last bag. Boom, now we gotta rush. Let's go. I can't risk going through the main gate or the front office, so I'm gonna go through the staff entrance. Hopefully they don't see me. This thing is so loud, if any teacher looks outside their window, this whole operation is busted.
I really hope that the principal does not catch him. Please come through. I need him to make it through because he has literally everything I need to put in the room. If he gets caught, then I lose the challenge. Where is he? Oh my gosh. That car is so loud and he looks ridiculous.
That's Hudson.
Oh my gosh, he made it! Yay!
How did he just get through security with that?
Hudson, slow the car down, it's so loud! Hudson, come on, hurry up! Let's go, come on! Thank you for making it here.
I got you.
Whoa, this is a lot of good stuff.
Can we hurry up? I don't want to get caught out here.
Thank you.
I cannot believe that she's getting away with this.
Is there anything important in here?
You know, a little bit, just like.
All this stuff is so good.
Okay, I'm gonna take one of these for me because I'm hungry.
Hudson!
Keep going.
Okay.
No, don't drop that. Don't drop that. That's important. There's a lot of awesome stuff in here. We just gotta hurry it up.
Ugh, that's heavy. Do you realize that you got microwavable popcorn?
Of course. Oh, we don't have a microwave.
There you go.
Here's some real popcorn.
This looks like good stuff, by the way.
What about those peanut M&Ms?
Those are mine. We don't talk about those.
I guess let's get set up.
Oh my goodness.
Well, Hudson, thank you so much for your help, but I have to go back to class.
No, wait.
Thank you.
Do you expect me to set all this up for you? I can't do that. I cannot do that.
I need help.
Go.
Can you at least get a couple people to help me?
She's supposed to be in class, but you have nobody to fill this room now.
If you can't help me, I've got a plan.
Okay.
What's the plan? I want to hear the plan.
Okay, that's pretty funny. That's
yeah,
pretty funny.
I know it is. And I bet you're wondering, Dad.
You'll just have to wait and see.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Morning, class. Morning, class. All right, Mr. Brown or Mr. B, that's me. Yes, I'm your substitute for today.
Of course there's a substitute teacher just when she needs to be able to get out of class.
Okay, no one's in the library. This is right. Hello?
Oh, it's working.
Hello. This is your principal speaking. I am your substitute principal.
No way.
I need 6 people, to report to the principal's office ASAP.
There's no way anybody's believing this.
Naomi Worth. Ava Brown, Emma Johnson, Callista Graham, Claudia Smith, and Salish Matter. Thank you very much. Please report to the principal's office immediately. And study hard. Okay, we gotta get out of here.
Nobody's gonna believe this is the principal, guys. Come on.
The actual teachers are gonna know that wasn't the principal. We gotta get out of here.
If you can, please be so kind. Go ahead and do what you gotta do.
It's fake. It's not real. It's fake.
Please be responsible. Be respectful.
Don't worry, that was my brother. I have to show you guys something. Come on, you guys aren't in trouble, but come on.
Salish, that's brilliant, actually.
I've been working on something all day. I have to show you. Watch. Whoa. I know. You can climb through. It's a secret student lounge.
Wow. This is so cool.
I know, right?
Oh my god. No one's ever gonna find you here.
I have to decorate this whole thing because it's a student lounge and you guys have to help me, okay?
Okay.
That was smart.
So there's disco balls, there's a bunch of food, there's a lot of drinks. We gotta get stuff set up.
Yeah, you might get away with building the room, but the principal's still gonna find you, though.
Thank you for helping me, guys.
No problem.
School ends in 40 minutes. This substitute isn't even gonna check to see if they're at detention.
There's a disco ball here.
Whoa. Dad, do you still think I'm not gonna get away with this?
You're not gonna be able to finish it, Say. There's no way you can do it in 40 minutes.
Our own student lounge? Even better, it's gonna be a secret lounge. Can't get over this. This is so cool.
Guys, we only have 40 minutes left. We have to hurry up.
We found the coffee! Yeah!
Only like 100 more to go.
I think she's gonna build this room. I can't believe it. Don't you just want to see me win once? Come on, comment. Team Jordan. I'm begging you, please. Please give me a Team Jordan.
It's like 10 Halloweens in here.
I want this room. Yum!
Yum.
There's not much time left. She's not gonna finish. She's gotta finish the room. She's gotta seal it off. She's gotta somehow protect the door. What are you gonna do with the door?
Okay, now we have to cover this doorway, but I have a plan.
Let's go. Let's go.
This looks really obvious, so I think we should lift the lids and put all the trash in that we have in the room.
Yeah, that smells nasty.
I can go in.
Where are we going? Oh no.
Salish, you know you're in a dumpster.
I know. We don't have much time left. Now all of this has to go in that dumpster.
If the principal doesn't see this, a dumpster randomly in front of a door isn't suspicious.
Okay, this is good. Let's move on.
They are getting so close to being done.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute.
If she doesn't stop when the bell rings, this is over. Any second, the bell's gonna ring.
Hurry up. Oh my god.
Okay, we have to.
She's gonna miss it. This is it. This is it. Yes!
Okay, guys, we have to finish.
But we're not done.
It's okay, we have to be finished.
No! Oh, I thought she would have forgotten.
This room is not done, but it is an awesome student lounge.
That is so sweet. I love to see Salish happy almost always, every time of the day, but not when she's beating me for the Matter Cup.
If the principal doesn't find me in the next 30 minutes, they get to keep it for the rest of the year. This piece of tape is keeping this board in place. This board is covering the entrance so he can't see me if he opens the cabinet. He's not gonna find me.
All right, it's all up to the principal now.
This is the monitor. I'm gonna be watching every single little thing that the principal does. Hopefully he doesn't catch me.
It's up to the principal now, but he's not messing around.
Salish, I'm coming to find you.
I know every inch of this school. There's no way she's gonna be able to hide from me. I better hurry.
He's looking thoroughly.
Guess she's not in here.
Now I can only see the principal's camera on this monitor, so I don't even know what Salish is doing.
Inside the video game. Apartment. Behind.
Principal of the school. He's a little off. I mean, he'd have to be to even let Salish do this.
I think I know.
Guys, he's looking really thoroughly. I think he might actually find me.
He's gonna catch her. He knows this school like the back of his hand.
Salish, where are you?
Not in there.
He is in an entirely different part of the school, like not even close right now. Dude, you're in the totally wrong spot.
Oh, I saw this in Sherlock Holmes once.
I don't think he's any Sherlock Holmes because he would have already found me.
I'm gonna get her. Where are you?
Salish has won the Matter Cup so many times, she probably just thinks it's hers, permanently. But this time, the amount of dishes you're gonna have to do, please, dude, find her.
Bro, I'm not gonna be in the trash can. Sandy, don't play back the time I just went into the trash can.
Let's try over here.
He's getting close to the classroom where the fake door is.
I know it. I know I got her.
Oh, he's going in.
I know it.
No.
Little rascal.
No.
Very good. Ah, I got you though.
Okay, it's a decoy though, so it's okay.
You even put the coat hanger thing here.
I was gonna hide there because that's low-key such a good spot.
Come out wherever you are.
Whoa, okay.
He did not just smash that. What?
He is not messing around.
The decoy worked perfectly. That's killing some time.
He's gonna fall for the lock, I think.
Hopefully he falls for it.
Yeah, I've seen this bit before. I know you're in there.
He's climbing through the lockers. Oh my gosh, I'm so gonna win.
You're just wasting time.
I'm coming. And you know what?
You can't climb through it.
Oh, you got me.
Fool me once.
Come on, there's a lot of school to cover here.
Salish, I'm not sure if you can hear me. You've done a great job of hiding, but now it's time for you to leave. Your mom has something to tell you.
My wife Lauren has a brilliant plan for how she can get Salish out of her hiding place. We talked about it last night. Let's see if it works.
What? Why is my mom here?
I'm gonna use the intercom in case you can't hear me.
Salish, this is your mom. We have a situation right now. Your gymnastics coach called me to say that if you're not at practice today, you're off the team. I know you're playing hide and seek. It's time to go.
I mean, I believe it.
My mom is so lying. If I don't go to a day of gymnastics, my coaches get mad at me, but they won't kick me off the team.
I'm waiting for you in the library. Hurry up. Let's go.
Yeah, no. Mom, seriously, I thought you were Team Salish. He's gonna break the hip, guys.
She's not in the library.
He's gonna run out of time.
That doesn't sound right.
I am not in there.
Where is she?
He's in the workshop right now. Oh my gosh, she's looking kind of close.
Salish.
This building, I can hear him.
You are so close to her. You're just 2 doors down.
I have 7 minutes left. I better hurry.
I can literally hear him right there. He just threw down a trash can with a bunch of wood in it. Shh, okay, I cannot make any noise. The workshop is right here, and then the room to get into this room is right here. They're in this room, like they connect. I should lock that.
Try this room.
Yes, go into that room. Warmer. Here we go. You have a couple minutes left. Please just find her. It's right there. Okay, yes.
Fee, fi, fo, fum.
He opened it and closed it.
I smell the blood.
Dude, go back.
Where is she?
There's like 1 minute and you're going back. Yes.
She's good, guys.
He just walked right past it. Oh.
You only have 20 seconds.
Okay.
10. 9.
Yes! It's over.
Time.
No!
Yes!
What? Where?
Yes!
I hear.
Open the cabinet! I won.
Are you kidding me?
Nope, I won. So the deal is the students get to keep this secret room in the school for the next year. Yay!
I literally looked into this cabinet.
Here you go. I'm gonna go get my matter cup. See you next time, Teach.
I'm the principal, not your teacher.
The only thing worse than losing is having her come in here and grab that trophy. She at least bring me some food, right?
Thanks for the matter cup. Come on, Dad, let's go.
I've been stuck in this room for 8 hours.
Let's go. Come on, Dad.
This is,
Today, I transformed this truck into a secret Sephora.
While I transform my truck into a water park.
A mystery judge will pick a winner.
And that person will get the Matter Cup.
I think that this cup belongs to you. But it's not gonna be easy.
Oh, God! Oh. There's no way this is happening right now. Let me just say, we have a bumpy road in front of us.
Oh. There is no way I'm gonna win. We have to meet the mystery judge in 5 hours.
1, 2, 3, go!
Come on, Ron, come on, drive!
What are you gonna, what the fr- Why is this not staying, actually?
Come on, Ro, go!
How do you?
Go, Ro, go!
Ow! Oh, boom! Wait, Salish, what are you building?
I'm not telling you.
All right, well, what I'm building is the best thing ever. You're gonna lose for sure. I'm getting the surprise end of the year.
I'm getting it.
I'm winning Matter Cup, come on. Okay, Salish is already a little ahead of me. Not a good sign. Rowan is obviously helping her, but I might be able to get somebody to help me too.
I've been thinking about this for a while, and I'm gonna build an entire Sephora in this truck.
I'm gonna build an entire water park right in this truck. Not exactly sure how to do that yet, but Ben Azalart is letting me use his warehouse, and he told me everything I would need for a water park is there.
We finally got to Sephora, but I still need to get all of the Sincerely Yours products. So go to your local Sephora, go to the next big thing wall, and do you see this? That's like actually crazy. I'm so grateful that Sincerely Yours is in Sephora, but hopefully in the future it will be on a much bigger section, and that's why the display in the truck is what I hope the display looks like in the future. It's the only one sold out here on the wall. So what am I gonna do? If it's sold out at your local Sephora too, scan this QR code and you can buy it there. I did not think about this at all, but I have an idea. Let's go. I have a bunch of Sincerely Yours at my house, so I guess we gotta go home.
This is gonna waste so much time.
That's what's gonna make it so special.
If you saw last week's video with the Stokes twins, you know that Salish won the Matter Cup again, and now she leads 12-7.
I don't really care about the Matter Cup, but whoever gets more Matter Cups at the end of the year gets a really amazing mystery prize, and I really want it.
He told me there'd be everything I would need for a water park in here, but didn't exactly tell me where, so I gotta look through his warehouse.
Where are we, Ro?
I don't know. I thought I must have made the wrong turn.
All right, he said there was like a sick pool that would be perfect for a water park. A lot of stuff here, Ben. Oh yeah, everybody come to my free water park. You think that's enough?
All right, come on, we gotta go. Come on. Hi, Boomy. Let's go. Okay. Yes, all right. I got a hoodie, small, medium, and large, and I got the Sincerely Yours bags. Now let's go, come on. We barely have any time, so we gotta go.
Where is his water park stuff? Whoa, okay. That's just a little creepy. Ben Azalart is letting Salish and me both use his warehouse. It has tools, it has anything I could use for a water park if I can find it. So thank you, Ben.
We just got all of the Sincerely Yours, and we got all of the hoodies from my house, and I got one in each size, so whoever the judge is can wear their perfect size.
There it is. pool. Wow, this isn't gonna fit in a truck. Okay, I gotta FaceTime Ben. Hey Ben, when you said you had water park stuff, all you meant was this one thing? Just this huge pool?
It's a giant pool. What do you want me to do?
Well, I know, but I can't fit it in the truck, so now I've got nothing and I'm gonna lose.
Oh, have you seen that David Dobrik video where they use like the tarp?
Yes. Do you have a tarp?
I have a tarps in the bag.
And Ben, you're coming by later to test out my water park, right?
I will be there.
Thank you so much. Okay, that's a good idea. It looks a little dangerous though, so I'm gonna have to test it with not me.
I'm gonna call Del and the team because they're helping me for the rest of the transformation.
I've been planning this all week with Del, so we already have a lot of things ready to go.
Okay, obviously I've got as many tarps as I want. This is perfect. We're gonna set up the entire back of the U-Haul as one big water park ride. Tarp is complete, next is soap. This is like a very, very crazy slip and slide. Whoa! Okay, it's slippery. I can't do it, I gotta drive the truck, so I gotta get somebody else to do it, and I know just the person. Not exactly a person, it's the Ben dummy. Have fun, Ben. Let's go for a ride. I wanna see how dummy Ben handles this ride. Woo!
What do you think your dad is doing?
Whoa!
I have no idea what he's doing.
Time to review the footage. If this is an awesome ride, I'm pretty much done with my water park. Oh! I can't have a mystery judge do this. I don't even know who it is. What if they're like a kid? There's no. Oh! Two! No.
Oh.
It's him.
Come on, Ro. Come on.
That was such a good idea. Now I have no plan. And to make things even worse for me, Salish just arrived so she can start building her truck.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, Say.
What are you doing?
I was reviewing footage about something, and my ride is gonna be awesome.
I can tell you're lying, Dad.
No, it's gonna be so good. What are you doing?
I'm not telling you. No, Dad. I know you're lying. What are you actually doing?
Okay, I'll tell you. I'm doing a water park.
And was the ride good?
Yeah, it was incredible.
So it was bad?
No, it was incredible.
Yes! Bye.
Now is my chance to see what she's planning to build.
Wait, Dad! No. Nothing's over there.
Ha!
Manual for the car.
Okay, no worries.
Go back into your truck. Bye, Dad.
I need to up my game. Salish looks confident, so I've got an idea. I'm going to a water park to investigate the best possible ride. I'm building a water park in a truck. Good luck beating that, Salish. Matter Cup is mine.
Cool, good for you. Have fun.
Okay, bye. I'm gonna win. I don't know what I'm doing.
All right, my dad's going to the water park right now, which means I can get ahead on the build.
I have to find the best one or two rides and then try to recreate them in the back of that truck.
Hey, Say, I have all this stuff. I have the Sincerely Yours sign. I have paint. We have a ton of stuff to make this transformation better than your dad.
Thank you so much, Steph.
Okay, let's go.
All right, guys, this looks great. Let's go. My #1 goal is to build a perfect Sephora. Like, if you were in there, you would actually think it would be a real Sephora. Like, it needs to be perfect. I really hope that the mystery judge loves skincare and makeup, because if they do, I'm definitely gonna win.
Oh, did you hear that?
What?
What was that sound? Oh, I got her. Okay. Wait, do you hear that?
Yeah, that's
cranking?
not good.
What is that?
Oh yeah, that's not good.
That's not good at all. Oh no, it sounds like a tire. I can't tell. What's up? Why did it come up? Wait. Dude. It's not. What is up? Yeah, my truck just broke, which means I need a new one. It's stuck. This is leaking all over the place. I have no idea how far away a U-Haul is. This is gonna take me so far out of the way. Come on, let's go.
I think there should be some stripes somewhere, maybe like all on this wall to really like give Sephora vibes, you know? For the Sincerely Yours section, I'm gonna fill that up with products, and I'm just gonna fill the entire Sephora up with other products. So, what do you think?
Let's add a few shelves here, some extra stickers on that wall, some lighting over top, and a really beautiful floor, and I think you have an amazing pop-up Sephora.
Okay, that sounds good. Thanks, Del.
I was on my way to the water park. Now I have to divert myself to the U-Haul, hope they have another 26-foot U-Haul to get, and then go to the water park. So this has super delayed me. I don't even know how to do MapQuest with a side road.
MapQuest?
Wait, that's all.
MapQuest.
Okay.
You're showing your age.
Okay, I mean Google Maps.
So first we have to attach it, and then we'll paint it, or we'll add vinyl, and all of that fun stuff.
And now that things are really bad, they're gonna get even worse. Colin, there's no way this is happening right now. Oh man, Salish is gonna be so ahead of me. Oh my God. Wait, he's calling in. No. What?
Hey man, I thought you had a body back there.
No, that's just a dummy. We were doing a thing for YouTube where it was just sliding around.
Man, it got me for a second.
Oh, I'm sorry, officer, I'm sorry.
Clearly, the bigger issue is you have water coming out your truck. Things can fall out the truck, which can cause a big hazard, car accidents.
I know, I'm so sorry. What happened was I was driving and then I realized it was broken and I was on my way to U-Haul to get a new one.
Sit tight, give me 1 second.
Okay, thank you, officer. You gotta be kidding me.
That's so pretty. I love butter yellow. It's like one of my favorite colors. Don't spill on me, don't spill on me. I want to be a painter when I'm older. Ah! This is a lot of paint. Look at how nice this is. So I just finished this, so what should I do?
I have some black and white long stickers to give you the Sephora pattern. You want to go start that?
Yeah, let's go. Come on, come on.
What is he doing? Okay, this is not really a great start to the day. Salish is so far ahead of me.
Say, time's ticking.
I know, Ro, but we can't really go fast on this. It looks so good. Oh my God.
Dude! Okay. Whew.
All right, sir.
Yes.
Signature right here, please.
Okay, this is freaking me out.
Thanks for your cooperation.
Thank you for being so nice about this.
Here you go, sir.
Okay.
All right, good to go.
Okay, bye. I cannot believe I just got 2 tickets! 2 tickets! I gotta chill. I haven't even started building anything yet. Sailor's probably already done. This is a nightmare. U-Haul, we're right there. Do you guys have any more 26-foot trucks? All right, got the new U-Haul. That's what it's supposed to look like right there, Colin. Here we go.
This looks like a real Sephora.
Say, we gotta set up the products. You ready?
All right, yeah, let's go, let's go. Come on, guys.
Honestly, I'm losing by so much in the Matter Cup this year. I have got to win this by the end of the year, because if I don't get the prize. And I'm telling you right now, the prize is like the coolest thing we've ever given away on this channel.
Now I'm gonna bring in these shelves for all the products. Now we're gonna stack some Sincerely Yours products. These are the moisturizers, these are the sunscreens, and we gotta go get the other products. Rowan, when we go to the mystery judge, you're gonna have to drive very slowly.
We are now at Great Wolf Lodge. We're gonna run in very quick, test the water park, talk to some people, see what they like, see if I can come up with any good ideas.
Wait, Rowan, we only got Sincerely Yours.
You didn't get any makeup?
I completely forgot we need other products.
We've been here before, last time with Nadal overnight. Hey.
I watch you on YouTube.
Thank you. Let me ask you guys, what's your favorite part of a water park?
Slides.
Slides.
Lounging by the pool.
What do you like more, slides or chill? Slides. Slides, okay.
Like, why didn't we just get it the first time?
Because I forgot, Rowan. Obviously, I want Sincerely Yours to be a big part of my mobile Sephora, but I also want to include all my other favorite makeup brands. Some of these. Let's put in a foundation, body glow, some blush. I actually love this bronzer so much because it makes my makeup look so good. Then the foundation I've heard is so good and it stays on for a long time. Guys, I love Patrick Ta so much. The blush is so pretty and the bronzer. I love this blush so much. It stays on for so long and it looks so natural. Then I also love these lip glosses, so we'll get a couple of these. Hey, we need to check this out, but we also need like 10 more bins of it. So I'll fill up 5, you fill up 5.
Okay.
Thank you, Ro.
Can you hear me? Do you guys like the lazy river or do you like a big slide? Slide? Okay, thank you, bye. Listen, come here everybody. Should I try to build a water slide? Okay, thank you guys. Let's go Team Jordan.
Okay guys, this is where the Sincerely Yours is supposed to be in the Sephora, but they don't have it here. So if your guys' Sephora doesn't have it, then make sure you ask them for it so we can hopefully get it in every Sephora. And that's why I'm turning the truck into a Sephora so that hopefully one day my Sincerely Yours section in Sephora can look like how it does in the truck.
I gotta FaceTime somebody and see if I can get some help because now I know I have to build a slide. Drew Dirksen has done some of the most incredible builds on YouTube, so if anyone can help me, it's him. Drew, hi, I'm in a really tough situation. You see all these people?
Oh my gosh, yes.
I am doing a competition against Salish, and I need to build a water park in a 26-foot U-Haul. Do you have that water slide that you used in your last video?
I don't have that water slide that I just used, but I do have another one that I'm building right now. Let me make some adjustments. I definitely think we can make it fit in the truck.
Are you kidding me right now?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah! Thank you, Drew. Thank you. I will see you at Ben's warehouse right now, okay? I'm usually terrified of fast rides, but I have to overcome my fears today to make sure I know exactly how to build this slide. Nobody told me I was gonna get my hair wet. What I just learned is the faster, the better with a water slide. No idea how we're gonna be able to do that with a 26-foot truck, but Drew's probably on his way. It just took me another 30 minutes to get through that water slide. Of course, it took 15 minutes just to do the hair. So let's go.
Thank you so much. All right, guys, this is starting to look like a real Sephora. This is the color picker. Ooh, kind of like the blue. Light yellow.
Oh wait, Salish's U-Haul is right here? What is she doing? Salish, what are you doing?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Wait, what is that? You building a Sephora?
Nope.
With a full-on Sincerely Yours thing?
Nope.
What? Oh my God, I've got a lot of work to do.
Jordan!
Drew, you're here already?
Yes! Put that in the back of the truck. Jordan, come with me.
Okay, so, thank you. We have to go get more stuff?
Yes.
These are the 2 Sincerely Yours photos. I'm gonna hang them up, I think. Guys, that's me. Oh my gosh, no. Wait, I love that. Ben's girlfriend, Hannah, is a Sephora expert, and she's gonna come over and make sure everything looks good.
Look what she's doing.
That's a Sephora store.
I'm telling you right now, if the mystery guest is a dude, you're kind of cooked.
Yeah.
Well, all I see over here
no one's
is
allowed in
just a little grass with some blue paint on it. Good job.
Hurry, come on, let's go. The whole thing is we're doing this huge Matter Cup competition at the end of the year, okay?
Okay.
So whoever wins the most Matter Cups by December 31st wins a massive prize. So I really need to win because I am down currently 12-7.
Okay, then we really need to make this thing good.
Sephora is almost finished. Let me give you guys a tour. Here, it's my favorite section, Sincerely Yours. It's the best section, obviously. And the Sincerely Yours section is the biggest section. Then we have Makeup by Mario, one of my favorite makeup brands. Some Sol de Janeiro. We've got Rhode. Sincerely Yours is better, but you know. And then we got Summer Fridays. Then we have Patrick Ta. I love Patrick Ta so much. That's my tour, but I'm hoping that once Hannah comes, she has a suggestion to make it even better.
Drew, how do you know this is gonna fit, man?
Educated guess, Jordan.
Please fit, please fit, please fit.
Boom.
There's no freaking way.
It fits.
Are you kidding me?
I told you that was gonna work. All right, walk it in. Yes.
As my water park comes together, I'm starting to feel confident that I've got a real shot at this. Salish, you're going down, little girl.
Hannah, I'm ready for you. Hi. Okay, can you help me and tell me if anything needs to be better?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, this is crazy.
Thank you.
We got everything in here. Isn't this your brand?
It is.
Soothing Serum Mist. Let's try it out.
It's kind of cucumbery.
Ooh, it smells really good.
Thank you.
Feels good too. We have makeup, perfume, your skincare, but this area over here is looking a little empty. And you know, every Sephora kind of has their own makeup station.
That's such a good idea. Do you think Ben has one in the warehouse?
I think he might. To the warehouse. Let's go.
All right, Jordan, go ahead and spray the soap on it.
Why, what's the soap? Makes it faster?
Yep, beautiful.
All right, ready?
All right. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you, Jordan.
Okay, here, go get him.
Nice.
Let's see how it goes. I don't know if it's gonna be that fast.
Oh, God!
Oh! This slide is fast, but we've got a lot of work to do to catch up to Salish, or I'm gonna lose the Matter Cup.
If we find the vanity, we have to be super sneaky about it because Ben is on Team Jordan today. If he finds out that we stole the vanity, he probably wouldn't be too happy.
Let's check in here. No.
What about in here? There's nothing in here. We gotta go quicker. Let's go.
We put some extra padding down. This is a slip and slide. We're gonna try and make the ride extend even further. Does that look like it hurt?
Oh, wait, there's one right here.
Okay, shh. We have to be quiet. Come on. Shh. Shh.
Go. Okay. Great.
All right. And all right, the makeup vanity is in, and now this room is complete.
Wait, Dad.
What? Nothing.
Dad.
Nothing.
Why are you stealing
I'm not stealing anything.
your own
Sam,
daughter's
I'm not.
Sephora? Dad, how could you do that?
It's just not fair. How did you get all this stuff? This isn't fair.
Life's not fair.
And yay! All right, are you ready for a water slide?
I'm excited.
Are you ready for a mobile water park?
I'm so nervous.
There we go. Open.
Yo!
Not bad, right?
Yo, that's huge.
Now, what I need you to do is this. Okay, today I need you to be Team Jordan. Can I get a Team Jordan out of you?
You know what? Today, I'll be Team Jordan.
Let's go. I love it. Team Jordan.
Team Jordan!
For the win. Now, listen, before you go, maybe a little.
Hey,
Okay, I just want to make sure that you slide well. Okay, here we go. Oh, that looks nice and soapy. All right.
I'm honestly terrified.
I'm terrified for you. That's why I haven't done it yet. 3, 2, 1. Yes! It worked! That was awesome! Ben has made 100 water parks in his day. They're always epic. There's nobody better for a mobile water park than Ben. Why don't you go for a swim in the pool? You could dive in.
It's 6 inches deep.
This is actually what they call a rain shower.
Yeah, I like that.
And you go underwater and you listen to the rain shower. Give it a try. Isn't that kind of nice?
I'm kind of drowning. Right now,
You're losing. I love the slide.
Okay.
But obviously water parks have food.
Food! So if the mystery judge likes food and they like water parks, I win. Thank you, Ben.
Good luck!
Okay. Actually, no.
My Sephora is about to be open and everything looks perfect. I'm definitely gonna win, but only if the mystery judge loves Sephora. Oh, let's go! Come on, Ro, get in the car!
Where are we going, the mall?
Yes, the mall! As soon as we get to the mall, I'm gonna go to the Sephora and try and find some Sephora kids to show them the transformation so that I can practice running the store and they could give me some advice about what I should change.
I sent Drew out to buy 2 food stands while I'm going to Target to get the food. Ben, great idea. This is the finisher I need, but we are super late, Colin, so we gotta hurry up. I'm thinking lemonade. Who doesn't like lemonade? And ice cream. Because lemonade's easy to make, and ice cream, you gotta have ice cream if you're going to a water park. If you don't know who the mystery judge is to know what kind of ice cream they would like, so I'm just gonna get a bunch of different individuals.
Wouldn't matter.
How are you guys? Thank you. Let me ask you guys a question, okay? If you were going to a water park, what would be your favorite thing to do? Now, what kind of food would you expect there? Lemonade and ice cream, would that work for you? All right, so I'll get popsicles too. Thank you, guys. Popsicles. That very much looks like a water park popsicle.
You got yogurt bars?
I don't know, man. I'm just panicking right now. Get this shot, Colin. Got it from both angles. Boom.
You're seriously that right?
But let me ask you a question real quick. What's my name?
I know it.
This is killing me right now.
Is it good?
Yes, let's go. Let's go.
All right, guys, we just got to the mall and I gotta go to the Sephora and find some Sephora kids to test my Sephora. Let's go.
I need to hang a Yui here and go right around.
Oh my gosh.
No.
What was that?
No. Okay. It's not that bad. I bented it, but it's not worth going back to
Oh my dude!
Why are we doing trucks? I just smashed it twice. And now it's shaking again.
I wonder why.
Look at this. Are you kidding me? This is the second U-Haul I've broken in one afternoon.
Hi, I was just wondering if you like Sephora.
Sorry.
No? Okay, thank you. Let's keep looking. Hi, I was just wondering if you want to come to my mobile Sephora.
Sorry, I gotta go.
Oh, if you wanted to come try it out?
Sure.
I just launched a skincare brand called Sincerely Yours, and it's not in all Sephoras, so.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah? Okay, let's go.
This could all actually come together. I'm gonna have a pool, a water slide that is sick, and now 2 different food stands? That could be better than Sephora, depending on the mystery judge. If the mystery judge is like a beauty influence or something, I'm cooked. But if it's like a Ben type of guy, I could easily win this thing.
Thank you guys so much for coming. I have something super exciting to show you guys. Are you ready to see this amazing transformation?
Yeah.
I turned this truck into a Sephora.
Oh, that's
Okay,
Sephora.
guys, don't look, turn around, don't look. What happened? Everything looks terrible.
Salish, I told you we were driving too fast.
What is going on? I know.
If this is what my Sephora looks like by the end of the day, there is no way I'm gonna win. Well, I need to fix this up and get some real advice from the Sephora kids.
Okay, here we go. You good?
Don't slip on it.
I know, I've got slides on.
Why are you wearing slides?
I don't know. Yeah, you know, I'm not really a carpenter guy.
And nice.
We gotta hurry up. We are running out of time. Here we go.
It's coming together.
All right, guys. Forget about everything that happened earlier. This is my Sephora. I'm taking this Sephora to the mystery judge in like an hour, so I need to get some advice. Anything you guys would change?
No. It's literally perfect.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, guys, come look. Oh my gosh.
Okay, well, it looks like they like the brand. So this is a mist. Each of you guys can take one of them. I'm gonna take it. It can go over makeup and it sprays really nicely. Then this is a cleanser. It's great for gentle. And guys, this is a moisturizer. And it pumps. Anybody want to try this?
That feels so good.
Thank you.
Can we get one of these too?
I still haven't read the product. Wait, guys. Oh my God. Guys, I need my products back. I don't have any products anymore. I learned that they really like this Sephora because they took everything, but I also need to get some tape so that when we drive to the mystery judge's house, everything doesn't fall over.
Drew, I just got the text. I know who the mystery judge is.
Please tell me it's in our favor. Please tell me it's in our favor.
Does that help us or hurt us?
Does she like water slides?
I know she likes makeup.
That's not a good thing,
I know,
Jordan.
this is bad. We gotta go over there. We gotta go right now.
Well, why didn't you tell me? Why aren't you? Now let's stress!
I just found out who the mystery judge is. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. It's an address, and I'm pretty sure I know who lives there. So let's go, Rowan. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. We're gonna win.
Bring it over.
Wait, I'm losing my slide. They weren't the best shoes to wear.
Why are you wearing flip-flops?
Okay.
We're good.
Maybe what I need is a name change. What do you guys think? This doesn't look like anything now, but when we get to we're gonna set it up and we're gonna win the Matter Cup.
Can you just tell me who's the mystery judge? Where are we going?
I can't tell you, Rob.
Why can't you tell me?
Because I can't tell you.
It must be someone who likes Sephora.
All right, Drew, let's go into Taco Bell. Do you have Baja Blast? How long will these last before they start melting?
Probably 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
10 minutes, probably.
10 minutes, 15 minutes? Okay, all right, thank you. All right, we gotta go. They're gonna start melting. Salish has built a beautiful Sephora and she's going to an influencer who loves beauty. So what could possibly go wrong?
Did you hear that?
It doesn't matter, Ro. We taped it. Let's just go. Come on. I invited 10 expert Sephora girls to help impress the judge in our pop-up store.
We're here. We have to get set up. Go,
Come
go,
on,
go.
Rowan.
I know.
Hi. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys need to be my Sephora employees. Yeah? Let's go, let's go. Hey, woo! I'm competing with my dad. He made a water park in his truck, but I made something so much better. Do you want to see? Yeah. This.
Whoa!
Rowan! No! You're terrible driving!
I told you I heard something.
All right, guys, can you help me fix this up? Yeah. I think we should start off by picking up the shelves. Oh, wow. That's good. I kind of thought that taking all the products down would fix everything, but I guess not.
5 minutes until the mystery judge comes out.
Okay,
5 minutes.
Rowan, I know. Here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go ask the mystery judge for a broom. Let's go. Presenting the mystery judge. Hi, Lexi.
Hey, Salish. Are you ready to show me your truck?
Oh, almost, but I need a broom really quick.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Here's the broom.
I'm just gonna clean up. Let's go, Sandy. Thank you so much. Everything looks amazing. I'm gonna finish up this glass and then I'll teach you how to become Sephora employees.
I am really behind in the Matter Cup competition for the year. Plus, I know that Salish is kind of not nice to you. Like, could you play some clips?
Shouldn't you be like married right now with like grandchildren already?
She's even called you short. Play that clip.
How tall are you? Like 4'10"?
I'm actually 5'1".
You are not 5'1".
Yes, I am.
Look at you're huge.
Don't show
Yes,
these.
look at them.
I know that you might need this win, but I'm a judge and I'm taking my job seriously today. May the best truck win.
Are you even 5 foot yet?
Yeah. See what she's saying to you?
You're 4'11", 4'10".
Okay, I don't even need to see your truck. Jordan wins.
Let's go! Is that true? Is that real?
No, it's not. It's not. I need to see them first.
Why don't you go do the little Sephora thing first?
No, not yet. We're not ready. I need to teach you how to be my employees, okay? Okay. We gotta be really nice, helpful. Do you know what this is? Blush. Yeah? Okay. Gotta talk really good about the products. The final thing, I love all of these brands, but the best brand in here is Sincerely Yours. I think we're all ready. Come on, let's go.
Every cone is broken and it's got like soap on it. I'll try to make sure that the food doesn't have soap on it.
I got you.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Don't hurt yourselves.
I've got slides.
Oh my God!
Okay, it's a little slippery. I shouldn't have worn slides today. That's just the answer.
I told you not wear slides.
Oh, that hurt my butt. You didn't get that on camera, did you? Oh, great. I bet they're gonna use it too. Drew, this is awesome. I cannot believe you came through for me.
Good? Perfect.
I'm ready to see it.
Ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh.
It's a Sephora.
Okay, this looks amazing.
Maybe my Sephora doesn't look as good as it did because stuff broke and the girls stole my product, but I think I still have a chance to win.
Lexi said she doesn't like water slides and this thing goes super fast, so I'm concerned.
All right, girls.
You're so much prettier in person.
Thank you.
I love your earrings.
Oh, thanks. Yeah.
Your hair is gorgeous.
Oh my gosh.
I love your necklace.
That's
so cool.
All right, guys. All right. Thank you so much. You can wait outside for us.
They were a nice touch. Very professional.
This is my Sephora, and here's a bin.
Oh,
You
wow.
can pick out anything you want.
Is this a Sephora bin? It kind of just looks like a trash bin.
Yeah, it's a Sephora bin.
Salish, you literally have like every single brand that's in a Sephora in this truck. I'm impressed. I love Makeup by Mario. I need some more eyeshadow, so gonna take some of that. I will also be taking a lip product. You're gaining so many points. I don't even care if you think I'm short. You can be mean to me all you want as long as I get this free stuff.
Yeah, definitely. Wow, you're really just going in for it.
Wow, the glaziness. This is one of the best Sephora experiences I've ever had. What happened to this photo?
Nah, nothing.
Watch out.
Oh, whoa, Salish, you almost killed me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Didn't mean to do that.
-5 points.
This doesn't look nearly as pretty as Salish's, but hopefully the ride is fun, this is fun, the food is good, and she loves water parks. That's what I'm banking on. Otherwise, I'm gonna be down a lot for the Matter Cup. The Baja Blast. I know for a fact that Lexi likes Baja Blast, so let's hope that puts her over the edge for the water park. It's getting dark. She's gotta be able to see when she does the water slide, right? So I wish they would hurry up.
This is definitely the best section.
Honestly, I do agree. This is the best section in Sephora right now.
Thank you.
Okay, hold on, wait.
All right, Dad,
Just
you're
wait a second. First of all, you paid a bunch of girls to give her compliments. Second of all, this is really
Hold on,
nice.
she's about to give me free product.
Yeah, Dad, wait.
okay.
So give me a second.
We even got you a hoodie.
Oh, and it's adorable. Look at these little patches. I was thinking maybe I could get some other free stuff.
Yeah, you can take anything you would like.
Oh, really? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna need some more of this. Love this stuff. Yeah.
Take everything.
Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna kinda. Yeah. Well, Salish, I mean, I've seen what I need to see.
No. I have one more thing. Come on.
Oh.
Here. Let's just like put some like lip gloss on you.
Thank you, Salish.
At real Sephora's, they charge you money, but I just do it for free, you know?
That's true. Wow, that's a lovely
Stop
shape.
talking.
Okay. Thank you, Salish. Wow.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You're getting on my teeth. It's in my gums and it's on my teeth.
No, one more thing.
Oh. Okay, yeah. I think that's just like perfume.
Time is up. You're like doing makeup together?
Yep.
Oh man. You got product too?
Oh yeah, I got a bunch of free stuff. It's amazing in here.
I think that went well. All right, I'm definitely gonna win.
Oh, Salish, I told you to fix that photo. I told you to fix that.
What?
There's stuff falling apart in there, but you know what? I got a ton of free product, so it is what it is.
Guys, you like water slides, right?
I love water slides.
Well, let's go. Okay, come on in. You're not really dressed for a water park though.
I'm not getting wet, right?
Well, it's a water park.
Oh.
Da-da-da! Huh.
Wow.
It might not be the most aesthetic.
I'm seeing one thing that's gonna get you some points, okay?
Would you like one?
I would love one.
Cheers.
Cheers. Plus 5
Super
points.
good.
Plus 5
Let's
points.
go. Okay, so the aesthetic wasn't great, but at least you got your favorite drink.
Yeah, this all looks really good. You know, we got the ice cream cones, the lemonade in the middle.
Would you like some Dippin' Dots?
One thing that Salish's truck did not have is food.
I'll give you an ice cream cone.
I'm not sure if that's how it should be, but okay, yeah.
I'll try to make sure that the food doesn't have soap on it. It's good, right?
Yeah.
So I'll take this from you. You know what? I'll give that back to you when you get into the pool.
Guys, I'm gonna try and sabotage my dad.
You know how at water parks, like they push each other in the water?
No.
Sit right here. It'll be fun. Hold your nose.
I wanna go back to Sephora.
Okay. All right, good. It's gonna be fun. No, okay, hold your nose. Hold your nose. Hold your nose. Oh no, hold your nose. Oh wait, no, that wasn't fun?
I don't think I like it.
Dad, you're not making her very
No,
happy.
okay, this is going badly.
Yeah.
Woo!
I don't want to play.
If the water slide is super fun, do you think still I'll have a chance?
Your last chance is this water.
Okay, it's gonna be amazing.
I better
Come on over.
have a lot of fun.
Okay.
I want to go back to Sephora.
We've got Drew down there to catch you if you go too far.
I'm here to keep Lexi safe.
Are we good?
I hit my shin a little, but
Okay.
I'll get over it.
This is really going bad. Lexi almost
Yeah,
just...
you know what, Jordan? I don't even need to use this slide right now.
No,
You
it's super
lost this
fun.
It's not even a competition anymore. Yeah?
Have fun.
Thanks.
Woo! Yay, so much fun.
Jordan! Okay, here we go. All right. Wow, I am having so much fun.
She does not look like she's having fun.
I just want to go back to Sephora.
Uh-oh, that's a bad sign. But you know why, Lexi? It's because you didn't do it fast enough. One more time. Are you ready?
No!
3,
I'm so
2, 1, go!
Oh my God!
Yeah! Woo!
Wow, thanks, Jordan.
Felt like everything went wrong, but fingers crossed, we somehow pulled this off.
And now we're gonna find out who won the Matter Cup this week. Oh, I just want to remind you, water parks are fun, and it looks like you have a lot of fun.
Remind you, you can have whatever products
Oh,
you
that
want,
is so
right?
not fair. Are you kidding me?
Anything you
can't
want.
just.
Whatever I hear right now, it's not going to change the decision I've already made in my head. I think that this cup belongs to Salish. Yes!
Thank you!
Your Sephora was amazing. I honestly think you could have won just because I like your brand Sincerely Yours so much. Anyways. is. You should have seen it over there.
Yeah, I know, I saw it.
The ice cream was melted.
Yeah, the ladder broke.
Sandy, go to end cards.
No, not yet, okay? I
it was
fell
just
on my
terrible.
face, the ladder broke.
Yeah, the slide you didn't move.
The slide, I had to go on the slide
Sandy,
4
end
different
cards.
times.
Today, my daughter Salish gives her credit card to ages 1 through 18.
Wait. No, we're using your credit card.
What? No, we always do. Let's use yours this time.
No, and yours is unlimited.
Today, my daughter Salish gives my unlimited credit card to YouTubers aged 1 through 18 to see how they spend their money.
I will watch each influencer and decide who spends their money the best. The winner will get whatever is in this mystery box. Mr. Security Guard, can you please make sure that nobody touches what's inside that box? It's really valuable. Okay, thank you.
It seems like all of my friends are really good at spending my dad's money. I guess they learned that from me. And I don't know if my dad is ready for that because they had some crazy ideas planned for my dad's credit.
Starting with
Age 1, Ocean Ortiz from Familia Diamond.
I'm at Target with my 1-year-old brother, Ocean, and we're gonna be buying whatever he touches. Item number 1.
Okay. He's so cute.
This is $40.
Oh my gosh, she's spending $40 on a toy. I knew it. I knew I got the right people. He's spending so much money, it hasn't even been like a minute.
Enough toy shopping, now it's time for Ocean to pick himself an outfit.
He's so cute.
We found the perfect outfit, guys, and he's running again. Wait!
That looks exactly like what my dad wore. Wait, what video was that?
No rules.
Okay, yeah, he looked really stupid, but I bet Ocean would look really cute.
He's walking like he knows where he's going.
He's going back to the toy section, which is good because that's the most expensive section, so he knows what he's doing.
He really likes this toy. Oh, this one too? Okay, that's $40.
I'm glad it's not my credit card.
All right, no!
Dad, Ocean is spending so much of your money.
Wait, how much money is he spending already?
Oh, Dad, this is my thing, Dad.
I can't watch. Let me watch. It's my money. It's my money.
It's not gonna fit. We have spent $500, and safe to say he had the best day of his life.
Yeah, they for sure spent $500, and he looks so happy. I'm gonna use this board to rank who spends their money the best, and whoever ends up at number 1 will get the mystery prize.
So what's in this, actually? Oh, what? I just want to look at it.
No.
Hold on. Is that my money that we use for that?
I don't know.
If it's my, I spent it. Let me look. I want to see. Give me. I just want to see the. I just. Okay, I understand. Okay, you're right. You're right. How are you going to decide who spends their money the best? That's so subjective.
Well, I'm basing it on 3 things: generosity, fun, and creativity. So I think this is gonna go at probably number 1 because it's the only one I have.
Oh.
And he looks really cute, and he looks like he had a lot of fun.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Are they all going to spend that much money, or?
I don't know. We'll see. Maybe a little more next time. Oh, it's Mila.
So we are in front of Target and Jordan and Salish got me more than I expected.
She's so cute. Okay, let's see what she spends her money on.
My money.
I meant his money.
I have a plan, but I wanted to let you guys just now.
Okay, is that your first item? Did you check how much it is?
I don't really care how much it is. Like, it's basically unlimited money, right?
Yeah, it is unlimited.
I love these phones.
Do you even have a phone?
No.
How are you gonna get this for your phone?
She's buying phone cases and she doesn't even have a phone. She's really trying to waste his money. I like her.
We're in the sports section. Hey, you don't play basketball though.
Okay, well, I guess she's gonna be playing a lot of new sports.
That's actually a soccer ball now.
We're gonna get some Uno cards, $4.99.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Why are you buying that many toys?
She's dropping all of the toys.
This is all like boy toys. Why are you getting them?
Yeah, you're pretty right. I should get some girls' toys.
She's just getting a lot of stuff that she's probably not even gonna use.
Salish, dude, are you texting?
Can you talk to this person? They're my DoorDash person.
What am I supposed to do?
Just do whatever like they're asking.
I'm getting you DoorDash?
Yes,
while you're spending my
please.
money. This better be on your account, Salish. It better be.
It is, I swear. I got Din Tai Fung because I had a credit card for Postmates. Or wait, what? I had a gift card for Postmates, and I got the cucumber salad and the spicy noodles. And that sounds so good right now.
What'd you get for me?
I didn't get anything for you.
Oh, moving on.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go back to spending my money. Like your 2 friends who are about to do the most dangerous things they can imagine, like Nadal paragliding and Paisley bungee jumping. And I'm the one paying for this madness. Oh, God, this is getting expensive.
What is this turtle? I like turtles too. Sometimes I act like the turtle because sometimes I'm slow because I love bed.
I think I've seen that laugh 100 times in his YouTube videos. He's like, She got so many things.
Hey, Mimi, I think you overdid it.
I always wondered if they're gonna sell a pink Spider-Man.
Mila, you don't even like Spider-Man. What are you doing? Okay.
By the way, Anazala family started this trend, but if they had told me how expensive it would be, I never would have done it.
Ooh, this looks fun. I'll get both of them then.
I don't know you like that. What's going on?
It's not for me. Just a reminder. That's a little hint.
What do you mean it's not for you?
Don't worry about that right now. Ta-da!
What's she gonna do with all of it?
I always wanted to get the USA Championships. Oh, does that mean I get to get a nacho chip after this? Because it's called a world record chip.
That's a championship, not a chip. Oh my god. Okay, we're not. Tell me the truth. How much sugar did you have today?
I had 2 pancakes in my school for breakfast, and some sausage, and 2 cups of syrup.
Oh my gosh, my food! Yay! Thank you, Dad.
You're ridiculous.
Guys, my food is here.
In case you're wondering what it's like to film with Salish, there you go.
Do you want any of the food? Okay, I guess not. Anyways, this is what I got. Here's a mukbang. That's so gas. If anyone knows what this thing is, that white thing, could you tell me?
Salish, you want to try using the chopsticks in the proper way?
I think you're supposed to like take them apart, but I don't do that. Anyways, let's get back onto our video.
Mimi, this is way too much. I don't know you like that.
You don't know. You're going to be proud of me after. Are we getting more toys or?
No, we're done. Let's go. Check out.
Oh my gosh, guys, they're checking out right now, and that employee probably thinks they're crazy. They have so much stuff.
Let's see. Oh my god.
This is so exciting.
Your plan better be a good plan.
Don't worry, Daddy.
Oh my god. So we have all these left. 409.
409.
What?
I mean 1,000.
What? Okay, I can't watch. Colin, I can't watch.
It went to 10,000?
Okay, now you're messing with me.
No, I'm not.
We're at 502.
Guys, there's a lot of toys.
I still don't know what we're gonna do with all these toys.
My plan was to donate all of these toys to kids that need it more.
Oh, they're donating all of them.
And we are right here in front of Hope the Mission Donation Drop-Off Center.
Wait, guys, that's so sweet.
Good job, baby. I'm so proud of you.
Told you.
This might have to move up. She might be in first place. I mean, that's so cute. I'm gonna put Mila at #1 because he was so generous giving all of the toys to the Boys and Girls Club. So I thought that was really sweet.
That was worth my money, for sure. If somebody goes on a Sephora haul, I know Embry loves beauty products, and that's really expensive. So I just hope more YouTubers lean towards generosity rather than craziness. Because I don't know if I can handle more people bungee jumping out of buildings or flying off of mountains.
Now it's A for Adley.
Bungee jumping! Wow! Hi.
Off topic, her eyes and her hair are so pretty. Oh my gosh.
I need to plan some things out. Come with me.
Wait, where are you going?
Follow me. First, I'm gonna write down what I would spend it.
Oh, stuff. I like it.
Number 2, craft a fun surprise. We could like set up a party for all the cousins.
Wait, why'd you write pepperoni? A pizza party?
No, I like plain pepperoni just to eat.
We did a video once and she has such good energy and she's so sweet. Okay.
All right, you ready to roll?
Yeah!
Are we going first?
Target. Kinsley, look at this. Look.
We couldn't have done the shopping spree without Kinsley. They're a good combo.
You needed a luggage for your doll too. Oh, I love these.
Sold to the girl with the purple pants.
Boy!
5 stars. Ooh, 6 stars.
They're having a shopping spree with their dad. That's fun when you're young.
It's not still fun? That was fun with me.
No, it's so fun.
Okay, I guess you don't want to go shopping sprees with me and my credit card anymore. I guess that's fine.
Looks like we got a duo, ladies and gentlemen.
Tiny glass cup.
Oh, that is so perfect.
This is so much fun. I think you should get this. That's 39. 39, that's good. I'm so tempted to get the ice cream truck.
Look at all that ice cream.
Okay, they're getting a lot of different stuff. There's a big variety of stuff.
We're getting ice cream. Thank you. Cheers.
Oh, and they're getting ice cream? Fatties.
How much money have we spent?
To be exact, it's 163. Oh my goodness, look at this dresser.
That is
Should we grab one for both of our dolls? How expensive are they? $12? Not that expensive.
Okay, now they're at a craft store and I guess they're gonna make crafts? That sounds like a good idea.
Oh, the little pots and pans and the silverware. That's so cute. Okay, I think this is good. We could have Robux with some Robux.
The 6. I think that's 6 right there.
How much are you doing in Robux?
1,000.
For everyone? Yeah. That's cool of you, dude.
How much is 1,000 Robux? No, you don't game for me either.
What 200?
Oh, 261 just at the craft store.
We're probably gonna have 383.
30507.
305.
First part of our surprise is we have pizza.
Pizza!
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. What's on the bottom?
Robux. You guys each get 1,000 Robux.
We're so happy that they got 1,000 Robux. I'm gonna put Adley at number 2 because she was very generous by giving some of the toys that she got to her friends. She had a lot of fun getting the toys, so that was sweet. I'm keeping Mila at number 1 because she gave to charity, which is really hard to beat.
This is just getting started because other YouTubers are going nuts with the money.
Okay guys, now it's age 11, like Nastia.
Hi guys, yesterday I lost my hamster. You might have seen them in a lot of my videos.
Thank you very, very much.
Have you seen how many subscribers she has? I think it's like 350 million. Yo, have you seen that? I know, it's crazy, right? For real, for real.
I loved her so much. I'm going to PetSmart to buy a hamster.
Guys, she's getting hamsters. That's so cute.
I found the hamsters. Look at this one. There's 3. Should I buy 3, guys? So we're getting this one as Syrian 2, just the white one. Thank you. So I got my hamster. Now let's go to the mall. Let's buy something for Salish and Jordan. I'm getting her this lip gloss. Maybe she has it, but oh well, she's gonna have to. So now stuff for Jordan. Oh, perfect. His eyes are always looking a little too old.
For real. My dad does look too old. Dad, you need some eye patches.
And this reduces redness. I don't think this is gonna help because his face is always red, but let him give it a try or something. Okay, I have one more thing for Jordan. I don't think he can ride a skateboard. He's like 99. You know how Jordan always wears the boring black shirt? Well, we're gonna change that.
Oh my gosh, that makes sense now.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
So like a week ago, I came home from school and there was a package and there was like a really cool shirt. But now I know it was Nastia.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, she bought that for me with my money.
Yeah.
How nice of her.
You, do you want to give me my noodles back? I'm hungry.
I'll go get your noodles. You hungry?
I learned he's not very talkative.
I bought everything I needed and I spent all my money. Thank you, Jordan and Salish. Bye.
Now I'm gonna put Nastia. I don't know, she's kind of tied with Ocean. She got stuff from me and from my dad, and she made a lot of old jokes, which were really funny. I think she's gonna go over here at 3. I don't know, Ocean was really cute though. Okay, now it's Paisley from Not Enough Nelsons, and she's 13.
Hey Salish, it's me, Paisley from Not Enough Nelsons. So, I want to go bungee jumping. I've never been before, but it's also my sister Presley's birthday. She's never been, and she's scared of heights, so let's go ask her.
Presley doesn't like heights, so let's see how this goes. Also, that's very generous that she's bringing her sister.
Here's your noodles.
Yay! Thank you. They're cold and they're like, how appealing, guys. Okay, a couple of days ago, I came home from gymnastics. I ordered Din Tai Fung, and I go upstairs, and I'm bringing my dad his. Like, you know, I'm a nice kid. I was like saying, like, Dad, your stuff is here. Came back into my room, and I was only holding mine like that, and I dropped it, and it went face plant on my floor. So I ate it, but I was eating off the floor.
You didn't put it back in a bowl or anything? You just...
No, I just ate it off the floor. Guys, I'm not gross. I'm really, like, not gross.
Who would eat off the floor?
Dad!
Yeah?
Come here. Try pasta I made.
Yum.
Hey Presley, I want to go to Vegas. Do you want to come with me? Because it's like your birthday.
Yes.
All right guys, we got my mom and Cass to bring us. Hey Presley, do you see how tall that building is?
Oh yeah, that's really tall.
Yeah, that's pretty tall.
Wait, guys, how far away from Utah is Vegas?
It took a couple hours.
They went a couple hours just to go bungee jumping? That's crazy dedication.
Okay, so I got you a little present for your birthday, so you have to get blindfolded to see it, okay?
Okay, guys, she's getting blindfolded.
How would you feel doing this thing?
Oh my gosh, I want to do this so bad. Have you ever been bungee jumping? For real, me too.
I'm gonna show you what we're doing, but you can't freak out, okay? No. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, guys, she looks really scared. I don't think she wants to do it very much.
This is my idea. I'm kind of scared now.
Have these outfits like slay, like Is this the new style?
Yep.
I'm excited. Scared.
They're gonna jump all the way from up there, all the way to here. They're literally walking out towards the edge right now.
Guys, that's such a far drop. Mr. Security Man, block him. By the way, everyone's looking at me. I'm not eating this very well. But how the heck am I supposed to eat this noodle? Like, whatever. Anyway, so let's keep watching.
All right, Presley, how are you feeling tonight?
Scared. Paisley, I think, is having Presley jump first.
2, 1, go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Not what I was expecting.
You faced your fear.
That was a lot funner than I was expecting.
Guys, that looks so fun. I want to do that.
I want to know what's
How long
in that
does it
box.
take to drive from California to Vegas?
3 hours-ish.
To drive?
Yeah, it's not far.
Hey, Dad, we're going to Vegas tomorrow, okay?
Okay. To bungee jump?
Yep.
I'm not sure if I'm ready for that.
Oh, well, that sucks.
That would hurt. All right, Paisley, you are recording. Ready to jump?
It's Paisley's turn.
2, 1, go.
Good job, you guys.
Thank you, Jordan, for giving us that experience.
Paisley, I think I'm gonna put her 3 because she was generous about helping Presley get over her fear about heights. And then I'll put Nastia at number 4 and Ocean at number 5. I'm sorry, Ocean.
Hold on, wait. Why can't Paisley be at 2 or 1? I mean, she helped her sister conquer a fear.
Because they gave stuff to each other. That was like sweet, you know?
You think toys are more important than experiences? I think that Paisley should be number 2.
No, I think yes, but Adley went out with her friends and got stuff with each other and like had fun with her friends. But Paisley was with her sister, you know?
Huh.
It's just different.
If you think that was bad, wait until you see the rest of the YouTubers. The Norris Nuts have a bunch of kids, so they could end up spending a lot of my money.
Now it's Nino. He's 14.
I know exactly what I want to spend it on. Paragliding. And the reason I wanted to do this is because I'm coming to an end of my vacation and...
Oh, so like I get to go too, right? We're both using this together.
Oh, and Gigi's there, of course. They're going paragliding.
Guys, no, she's not. Wait.
Yeah, no, sorry. You can go.
Gigi's also going with Nino, I guess, which is fun. Sibling bonding.
Salish, I would have invited you to come with me, but you're too much of a chicken, so that's why I didn't.
Hey, Nino! I would so go there. He just called me a chicken. That's me.
Okay, guys, we just jumped off right now, and honestly, I was like terrified at first, but now that we're up here, it's actually super chill, and the ocean view is insane. I think Nido's about to jump off soon.
Oh, guys! Oh my God, we just did it! Oh my God, guys, we're so high up in the air right now. Guys, look at this view. It's absolutely crazy. Next time, we should do this together, Salish.
That view is so good.
Yeah, Salish, if you were with me right now, you would have definitely bailed out because this is way too scary for you.
Hey, Nino, I would not have bailed out. I so would have gone on that.
Guys, I'm lost of words right now. Like, this is so pretty. Unlike anything I've ever done before. This is crazy. I don't know where Gigi went, to be honest. She just flew away and disappeared.
I'm trying to reach and grab the top of the box and see what's inside, but this isn't long enough. I gotta find something longer.
Guys, I'm gonna rate this experience a 10 out of 10. Thank you, Salish.
Guys, we're landing right now.
Very good.
Oh, we landed. Oh, I'm safe. You heard that, guys? I'm safe. I thought I was gonna die on the landing right there.
Yeah, I thought he was gonna die too. Now I'm gonna put Nino. Rough picture, by the way, Nino. You could have picked any picture. That was your best one?
Salish, you picked that picture.
Oh, I picked that picture. Anyways, I'm gonna tie it with Mila because Mila gave... Just cut that part out. Mila gave to charity, but Nino also said that he wanted to take me next time, so he'll move up. It's just cold. Not gonna cap. It's Emery Cortland. Last Saturday I met her. She was so sweet. We went to a basketball game with like all my dad's friends and everyone on the team. It was pretty chill.
Hi guys, I'm Embry Cortland and I'm here with my best friend Gracie. We're gonna donate to the Chattahoochee Humane Society.
Guys, they're donating all of their money. That's so sweet and very generous.
Okay, so now we're in Petco and we're looking for the Purina dog and cat chow, which it says it's in a green bag. So let's see if we can find it.
So we're getting 4 bags of the Purina Chow for the dog.
Hold up. You don't and Embry. We're both 14.
Embry turned 15, Salish.
Oh, sorry.
Must not be checking famous birthdays. If you did, you'd see I'm #1 now.
No, you're not.
I am. Everybody go check it out. I'm #1. Congratulations. Boom. #1. Boost me. Boost me.
Don't boost him. You're just not as cool as me, okay? Bye.
Has anybody heard how stuffy her nose is?
Stop!
Anybody got good allergy medication? Comment below. Ow, ow, ow!
These are the dog and cat wipe. They're actually cute. What if we got some ice cream and we fed it to them tomorrow? Ice cream? Guys, they literally have dog ice cream. I've never even heard of that before. Peanut butter and pretzel bites. Wait, that's so cute. We absolutely have to get dog ice cream.
I gotta know what's inside that box because I bet it's super expensive and I wanna know before I say yes to giving it away. I'm gonna use this broom to go over the wall, knock off the top, and see what's inside.
Oh, guys, they're doing. Wait, Mr. Security Man!
No, no!
He's sending it over! Guys, look at this fight!
No, I'm good. I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh. Well, anyways.
They found a lot of dog food on clearance, and it's also for like older dogs. I guess it's easier for them to eat it. We found lickable baby treats for cats. Honestly, they look delicious. I would eat them myself.
Guys, the lighting is low-key gas.
We've gotten all the food. I think we need to get some toys for them. First thing I got, tennis balls. I found this little tiny bone for like the smaller dogs, which is adorable. I got this cute little small bear. We've spent a while here. I feel like we've got like a bunch of things that the animals, dogs, cats will love. See you guys when we get to the Humane Society. Bye.
Guys, that's so cute. She got a lot of stuff for the shelter. Stop, that's so generous.
We finally made it to the Humane Society. Guys, so we just made it inside. There's baby kittens and they're so adorable. Wait, that one's so cute. Guys, we get to hold them now. I want more than anything to take these cats home. We're trying to convince my mom right now to let me get a cat, the orange one, because it's so cute.
The cats are really cute.
Okay, so we're setting up the ice cream right now. It's literally adorable. Oh, super sweet. I'm literally obsessed with like all these animals, aren't you? Mm-hmm. They're so cute. So I was giving it the ice cream, and it just like actually took it out of my hand and started taking it over there.
Guys, they're giving the ice cream to the dogs. They're so cute.
It was actually so fun meeting like all the animals. I love the fact that like Salish and her dad made it possible for us to do this for them. So thank you for everything. We love you all so much. Bye.
Okay, now Embry was so sweet and she was very like generosity. I don't know how to say that another way. She's very generous. So I'm gonna put her tied or triple tied, whatever that is, at #1. And this is hard. Mila and Embry were very generous, but Needles did something we could do together, which would also be fun. And the surprise gift, I'll give you a hint. I could benefit from it too.
I'm gonna guess that Embry's gonna win this thing because Salish loves animals. That is so cool.
Okay, let's go to Peyton. Peyton is 16, I think. She's 16. She has her license. She drove me, and she was a really good driver.
Cap.
Anyways, let's watch this.
I just got the challenge and I had the best idea. I'm gonna buy a plane ticket for one of my friends to come to prom with me. She's here. Hi! Alright, we gotta go right now.
Okay, let's go. Oh, they're going to prom.
Oh, you look so cute. Oh, I love the hair. You're so gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, Peyton looks so good. Her dress looks really good on her.
Love the dresses. She looks so cute. And I am so excited I was able to bring her out to prom.
I'm homeschooled and I didn't have a chance to go to prom.
So this is so exciting and I'm so glad you got to come.
She used her money to pay for her friend to go to prom with her. That's very generous. That might be up there. Oh, they're at the dance. That's so cute. They look so cute. That's a lot more lit than my school dances. dance. My school dance was terrible.
It's the next day and the dance was so fun.
The dance was crazy. We were jumping in a mosh pit.
Comment down below if you've ever gone to prom. I feel like everyone needs to go and get the prom experience.
It's so fun.
My friend Peyton, now she flew somebody out so she could go to prom with them, which I think is really sweet. So she might go to number 2. Move these people down. I'm sorry. But guys, that was really sweet. Peyton, I miss you.
Let's do this. I don't know how to spend this much money. It's hard to think about.
Gio is 17. I met him from when we did a video in his school, and he was one of the classmates. And he's really nice, so let's see if he does something generous, something funny, and creative.
Let's go get some energy drinks.
So we went to CVS and go to Celsius. I mean, energy, that's fun. Hudson got like so many Celsiuses, so I stole one of his Celsiuses and I gave it to my friends, and I was really nice and they were really happy. So get Celsius, give it to your friends, because it's really nice.
Kids, don't drink Celsius if you're under what, like 15, right? Like Salish doesn't drink Celsius, so that's good.
So I got my energy drink right here, and I was thinking about it. There's a lot of things we could do with this money. We might as well do some charitable things with it. There's a great paw shelter nearby, and I figured we could get some stuff for them. So now we're here in the dog aisle, and there's a list that they have. Now we're just gonna fill it out.
Wait, he's in like a pet store and Ember was just in a pet store, so maybe they're doing the same thing.
One is for puppies. Toys. Last one.
He's getting a lot of pet food.
So now we got the cat food and dog food. Now it's on the way to the shelter. We spent $136, which means that there's still a lot of money left.
They spent $136 and they have a lot of money.
That's gonna be a tough choice for her.
Wait, but Ember's already up high on the leaderboard. Now I have to put Gio there too?
Spending money makes you really, really, really hungry.
He goes, that's really cute. And he got a burger and a Celsius. Gio also has to be number 1, so he also gets to be number 1.
Salish, you have to pick one person. I've only got 4.
I'm aware. I know.
So you're just gonna, it's like half the board.
We'll see.
I think I'm pretty much broke, but okay, there's only one more. This has been rough.
Hi, legends! It's the Norris Nuts.
Okay, now is Saki, and she's with the Norris Nuts, and she's really sweet. I met them at the Kids' Choice Awards, and they were all really nice. So let's see what they buy.
Guys, I think what we need to do is go to the pet store and buy a cat.
Oh, they're going to the pet store and buy a cat?
Do you reckon Salish is more of a cat girl or a dog girl? Look at this kid. Definitely a dog. Salish, you're a dog person, aren't you?
Hey, Dad, can we go to the dog shelter and buy a dog?
Not yet.
Oh my god, Piggy's holding him.
Guys, it's so cute.
We have 6 kids and 2 dogs. We've got enough things. We need more. The cat's fallen in love with Biggie. Legends, I wish I would have got that cat. And plus, I'm not the one spending money because I'm not 18. Socky is.
Well, I guess they didn't get the cat.
This is where I'm spending my money first at a very futuristic sushi place. They even have like a train on the tracks. How cool.
When we were in Singapore, we went to a sushi restaurant and they had like a train thing, and this kid was putting his hands in it before like it got delivered to the person. It was really funny.
Ew.
Yeah.
I am planning to spend $100 on this sushi train, and we're gonna help her spend it. My first plate of sushi is this chicken katsu. Saber has literally gotten a volcano of sushi. That's good.
Guys, that's so sweet that they're doing things as a family and they're all together.
We are also gonna get a dessert. Jordan Matter, you're going bankrupt. We're getting chocolate by the bold man. Is that like Jordan I love spending other people's money. Me too, it's so fun. Jordan Matter, if you ever want, we can always do like an entire video of spending like maybe all your money. I was thinking maxing out Jordan Matter's credit card. If this video gets 10 likes, we'll do that video.
They're from Australia, and I just learned a lot about Australia. It's hot there, and I forget everything else.
All right, mate.
Okay.
Now it's time to spend my money on something I really, really want. The Apple Store!
Oh, now they're at the Apple Store.
We should watch some Jordan Matter on the iPads. Subscribe. Subscribe to Jordan Matter.
Oh, and they subscribed to Jordan Matter. They didn't subscribe to Salish Matter. That might lose a point.
I'm gonna buy some AirPods. AirPods. I just got the AirPods. Yeah. Funny story, the reason why I need these is that I had AirPods and I dropped them down the stairs. So I'm so happy Jordan Matter gave me so I didn't have to spend my own money. So thank you guys. Thank you, Jordan Matter.
God, this is getting expensive.
All right, guys, they just got AirPods.
Salish, please pick us for the win. Please, Salish, please. Cat. Happy Knuckles.
Saki was really sweet because she hung out with all of like her family and they all did things together, which is fun and generous that she let her family come. So maybe I'll put that at number 5. Now I have to make a decision. And before I pick my winner, I want to show you guys what's inside the mystery box. Thank you so much. What's in it is $5,000. That's more money than I ever thought I could see. Look at this.
What?
That's
5,000? Oh, jeez. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, give us my money. It's my money.
Look at this. There's so much money in here. Now we gotta go pick our winner, and whoever wins gets the $5,000. So Nidal, parasailing sounds so fun with him, but that's kind of selfish. Ugh. So I'm just gonna put him right here, but I really want to go parasailing with him because that sounds so fun, but I don't want to be selfish. So he'll go at number 8. Mila donated to the Boys and Girls Club. Embry and Gio donated to animal shelter. They were so generous and they had so much fun. I think all 3 of them donated to charity. So I'm gonna split the prize up and donate to the same charities.
Oh, actually, that's really nice. Wait, but $5,000 though?
Yeah, you'll be okay.
Okay, it's for charity. This is the largest indoor water park in America, and today, my daughter Salish has it all to herself. Okay, say, go do whatever you want. This whole place is yours.
Really, whatever?
Go. It's yours place, go.
I want to go to Tube It.
Salish thinks that birthday parties are boring, and so she's never had one. But in 2 weeks, she turns 16, and I want to throw her the best birthday party ever. To convince Salish that birthday parties actually are fun, I'm taking her to 3 epic locations, and then at the end of the day, she's gonna have to pick one of them to have her sweet 16 birthday party.
Yeah, let's go! That was so scary.
In each location, she'll have to complete challenges before she gets to see what her birthday parties would actually look like there. But for now, let's have fun. How was that? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I can't hear you. You know why? Because you're not wearing a mic. People can't hear you. Here you go. Put that on. These are so you can hear us. Let's mic check. Do it.
Mic check.
She doesn't do that anymore. Mic check! Anyway, here we go. You're about to find out what your birthday party is gonna be like if you have it here. But before you do that, you've got to do 5 of the scariest rides in the water park. But don't worry, I'll do some of them with you, so if you're scared, you can hold my hand.
Really?
Yeah, okay, all right?
Thank you. Let's go.
Say, imagine having a birthday party here. This would be sick, right?
Yeah, it actually would be really cool. I'm having so much fun right now.
Well, wait till the end of all the rides, you're gonna have even more fun.
Okay, 6, 7, let's go.
What's with the 6, 7 thing? Say, I can't keep up with you. Obviously, you're excited.
Yeah.
We have to do the scariest rides at the park. This is one of the scariest. Lemur Leap, but it only has a fear factor of 1. Each ride is gonna get scarier. I'm like legit scared. I don't do rides.
Dad, it's actually
We
fun.
have.
Ah! Okay, oh my God. What the frick? Ah! Even though I'm freaking out right now, I know that this is gonna prove to Salish that birthday parties are actually really fun. Ah! Whoa! That was scary. Oh yeah, there's more! There's more! What? That was scary.
That was not bad. You were so scared.
I don't know if I can do all this. This is nothing compared to what we have to face later today.
I'm not doing that again.
I just hope all those rides will make her realize that her birthday party will be awesome. When I was 16, a birthday party in a water park would have been pretty cool.
It was so bad. He was so scared, but I got great angles. He was like, oh my gosh. It was fun.
What's your ranking?
Okay, I think I'm gonna give that one
Don't.
6.
Salish, come here, come on, go. Look at that.
Okay.
Look at that. No line. Nobody else is even here.
Look at this. Okay, let's go. Come on,
Let's
Dad.
go, come on. This is the Dragon Racers, which has a fear factor of 2. Now, Salish, you know you have to complete all the challenges before you get your birthday party.
Yes.
Okay, so in order to complete this challenge, you have to beat me.
No head start?
No, you just have to beat me.
Bro.
Let's go. She thinks that because I'm heavier than her, she's gonna lose. Let's see what happens.
Set. Go.
Come on.
Let's go. Whoa! I won! I love winning! Team Jordan!
You're happier.
That did not count towards one of Salish's challenges, so she has to do another one before she unlocks her birthday party. Salish has something to say to all of you.
I won.
No? I think you want to say Team Jordan.
Team Salish.
Come on, just say Team Jordan.
Team Jordan.
Yes, okay guys, clip it everywhere. TikToks everywhere. Team Jordan. She's Team Jordan. You should be Team Jordan. Team Jordan! Say, come on! Are you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Are you gonna maybe have your birthday party here?
Maybe.
Okay, this is DreamWorks Dream Runner. It is a fear factor of 3. It is the world's longest rocket coaster, whatever that is. The challenge here is you gotta do the whole thing with your eyes closed.
Eyes closed.
Your eyes closed.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Sure. Let's go, come on.
Okay, what is that thing? Did your eyes open? Oh my god, no, okay, here we go, we're going down. Anything?
Oh god, right now, 3, 2, 1.
Oh boy. Did she keep running slow? Keep it on her. I got it. Okay. Oh, right, that's so scary.
Are we done yet?
Oh boy.
Yeah, we're done.
One more. Oh my god. Salish, was that scary?
No, not too scary.
But was it fun?
It was fun.
It might be the water park. Wait and see.
I did not expect that last drop.
That was
I was already up and I dropped.
When we finish at the water park and you've done all the challenges, you're gonna have a birthday party with a birthday present.
Okay.
Any idea what that might be?
No, but I kind of want to know. So like.
Okay, no, you gotta wait then. It's awesome though. This next ride is Dragon and Donkey. It's a fear level 4, and I have no idea what it does. Do you?
No, but I'm kind of scared.
I'm terrified. Look, there's not even an attendant up here. We just grab the raft and go. This is crazy. We have the water park all to ourselves. And if you pick this as your party, you'll have it all to yourselves with your friends.
That sounds so cool.
Okay, so this might be the one. I'm freaking scared right now. No, we're not.
Why am I backwards?
Oh, God.
Yes, you're backwards.
Why are we doing this? This is not my birthday party. Why am I doing this? Oh my God. Oh wait, it gets scarier than that? That wasn't that bad. I had to go that backwards. It's not my birthday party. Why did I have to take the hit? I'm sure you all already know that Salish will find a way to make me pay for all those challenges I'm putting her through. Salish, pull me up.
Bye, Dad. Have a nice day.
Can you get me out?
Bye, Dad.
Salish! Not only do you have to climb the stairs, but you gotta wait with the people. For us today, there's no people. What? This is so awesome. This is Shrek's Sinkhole Slammer, and this is Fear Factor 5. But you remember how you missed Fear Factor 2 and you lost to me in the race?
Yeah.
So that means you're gonna have to do one more ride after this if you complete this, okay? And this one, your challenge is you cannot scream.
Okay.
It's terrifying. Why am I backwards again? It's terrifying. Thank God it's over for me. That's my final ride, but Salish has one more.
All right, you ready?
No.
Last time you did it, you thought it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, but that was not straight down.
Don't look down.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Say, I'm sorry to say you have to do this, but because you lost round 2, this is the Jungle Jammer, and is the world's longest indoor drop slide.
Are you sure you don't want to do it?
I'm positive I don't want to do it. You do this, and then you go have your birthday party and your present, and then we go on to the next attraction, okay? I'm scared for her. Hold on tight. Years ago, Salish needed Nadal to try a similar ride.
I need Nadal up here to support me. Girl power, maybe? I'm not so sure. Wait, I don't know if I want to do it.
But now she's gonna do it all by herself. That was, oh my God, so scary.
Oh my God. That's not that bad. So much water going against me. Like it dropped and then I was fine, you know? Now I get to have the birthday party, so now I'm pretty excited.
Okay, so that was fun, right?
Yeah.
And now I'm gonna show you what your birthday party would look like if you chose this water park.
Oh my God. This is actually so cool.
Isn't this nice?
Yeah.
Overlooking the water.
This is so cool. Wow, these decorations are so nice.
Do you want me to sing you happy birthday with a cake? I could light it.
That's okay, I'm good.
So this is what the water park birthday party would be like. Are you ready to go into the theme park?
Yeah.
Okay, before we do it, I have a present for you.
Okay.
This is an early birthday present, and you'll see why I'm giving it to you now.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I've been waiting to see this in person for forever.
This is the Sincerely Yours hoodie, the new one.
Oh my God. I love this. This is so awesome. I'm so excited. I've been working on this for a really long time and I'm so excited about it. Let me show you. Okay. This is the sign for Sagittarius, which is really exciting because I'm a Sagittarius. This is the back, this is the front, and I think it's so cute and it's so comfortable. You guys can get this on November 22nd. And we're giving away 50 for free. Link in description to get on the wait list. There's not gonna be many of them.
And now let's go on to the theme park. And we are now back at the biggest indoor amusement park in the United States. All of this is at the American Dream Mall in New Jersey. What did you think about the water park? Are you thinking maybe that might be your birthday party?
Low-key was really fun.
This is sick too because this is literally so many fun rides and you're about to start on the first one now.
And there's nobody here.
This is so much fun. In order to unlock your second birthday party and see what that would look like, you're gonna have to complete 5 challenges. Are you ready for challenge number 1?
I'm ready.
Let's go over here. The first challenge is you gotta ride this whole ride and not spill any water.
Dad, that's not possible.
The line of the water is right here at the natural line of the cup. You can do it.
No, Dad, you understand how bumpy this ride is. I've been on it one time before, but it's fine because if it spills, it's going right onto you.
Oh, no, it's not because I won't be here.
Wait, Dad.
Yeah, I don't do roller coasters.
Dad, wait.
You gotta have fun.
No, Dad, come back. Okay, guys.
Salish, you can take 1 sip. 1 sip. I'm making it a little easier for her. That was a little full.
He told me to take a sip, but I can't take a sip.
Do we think the whole thing is gonna get all over her?
What the heck, bro?
Have you spilled it yet?
This is definitely impossible.
She might be able to do it.
Bro, this is straight down. First of all, look at that view. Oh my gosh, the water.
Oh, here she goes. Is there any way?
Wait, guys, all the water left.
They went all. She failed. I just saw it. At least it didn't get her wet.
On my face! On my face! Bro! What the heck? Bro, all of the water's onto my face! This part of my face is soaking wet. You guys see that? I don't have any more water.
How'd it go?
Well, as you can see.
Got all over her face.
It was spilling everywhere.
So even the sip, there's nothing left. Salish, would you like to try that again or do a different challenge on the same roller?
I'm not doing that again.
So we're gonna do a different challenge. If Salish thinks this is hard, just wait until she has to ride the steepest roller coaster in the entire world. Salish has to keep doing challenges on this roller coaster until she gets one that passes into the next round. But wouldn't this be fun if you had all your friends back here? This would be a pretty cool
this would be really fun.
Next challenge, you have to use your phone to take a selfie that you're willing to post on Instagram.
Okay, guys, I do not want to post this. I feel like that's just kind of weird if I'm like on a roller coaster and I post a picture of that, but okay.
Salish isn't gonna just post any kind of photo on her Instagram. She kind of likes to post good ones. She's all messed up and her hair's wet. We'll see if she likes this photo.
I'm gonna do it when I get to the very top because then it will be like cool and I'm just gonna like show that and like have me in it a little bit. Ready? 1 sec. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I got it! I think I got the selfie!
I kind of want to do it with her once. I mean, we have the place all to ourselves.
Yo, why is this so fast?
I wonder if she's getting a good selfie.
I think we're good. I clicked the selfie button like once.
This is the biggest indoor amusement park in the United States, and this is a long ride.
Oh my goodness. That was kind of scary. I think I got it.
You got it?
Let's check.
Hold on.
No,
wait. Oh, no.
That is a selfie.
Colin, come here. Is this a selfie?
That's a selfie.
Look. What is
that?
Why aren't you doing a selfie on the way up?
That's what I did so that everyone could see that.
You guys comment below if you think that's an actual selfie. That doesn't count. I kind of want to do this real quick. Will you do it with me?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Really?
Yeah. I'm not ready, Colin. I don't want to do this.
It's not scary.
I'm so scared. Imagine this with all your friends. Say, come on, this would be good.
Would be fun.
So far, what do you think? Amusement park or water park?
I'm not telling you. I think both have been super fun. Oh my god.
Is this going straight down?
No.
Well, wait, this is going straight down. Oh my god, oh my god. What the heck? No! I'm gonna fall out. How did you do a selfie? Okay.
Was it fun?
No. I'm not doing that again. That was so scary.
Actually?
Yeah, actually. I was terrified.
That was not that scary. I think we should go one more time. Yeah, I think you're good.
No, we're good. We're good. I'm gonna do a Salish moment. What the heck was that?
What the heck was that?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a very special guest, Mr. SpongeBob. Woo! You're thrilled, right?
I am so excited.
If you had a birthday party, SpongeBob, would you be the special guest at Salish's birthday party? Come on!
Oh, that might sell it for me.
For our second challenge, SpongeBob is gonna hide, and you have to find him before I find him.
Okay.
In order to win this challenge.
Okay.
If you do, you move on to your third challenge, which gets you closer to unlocking your birthday party. Are you ready?
Yes.
We're gonna give you 2 minutes to hide. Mr. SpongeBob, go get him! Close your eyes. Don't look. Close your eyes. 1, 2. Don't look, Salish.
5, 6, 7.
No.
19, 20.
Say, are you over here? Salish, count out some numbers.
6, 7.
We're not at 6, 7. We're at like 2 minutes. One minute left. Why have you always thought that birthday parties are boring?
I don't know.
What's the problem with birthday parties?
You just don't understand, Dad.
Ready or not, here we come!
Oh! Let's think.
It's gonna be so easy to find him.
I found him!
No way, what?
What if this SpongeBob is SpongeBob? Nah, that doesn't feel like it. Never mind. False alarm. Guys, I thought that was him.
Salish, get out of my grill.
I'm not in your grill.
Where would he be? Biggest indoor amusement park in the United States. He could be literally hiding anywhere.
Spongy. Spongy?
I figure if I go up this high, I'll be able to see where he is.
I heard something over here.
Look at Salish right there. Sponge is a good hider. Mr. Bob.
Oh, he's definitely in here. Ah!
Salish did not go this way.
Spongy, make a noise if you hear me.
I'm gonna get him somewhere.
I'm gonna beat you.
Salish, you're terrible at hide and seek.
Have you found him yet?
I have not, but I'm gonna find him because you don't know what you're doing.
That's what I thought. Is he in there? Nah.
Okay, you're good. They didn't see you. You talking all under there, or? Okay.
I don't know. He's really good.
Where would SpongeBob be? Yo. What the heck? I low-key feel like he's definitely at the arcade or something.
This would be the perfect place for him to hide.
I see it. I found it!
What? She says she found him.
I found it!
No!
I found it! I'm amazing! Ah! I found it!
How did you find it?
Woo!
That was smart.
Yeah! Give me a hug!
How did you find him?
I found him because I'm smart.
Good work, Mr. Bob. We'll see you at Salish's birthday party.
Oh, yeah.
All right, next challenge.
It's getting kind of hot in here, so I'm gonna take off my hoodie, but you guys should all go get this link in the description.
Salish, your next challenge is on Skyline Scream, which is way up there, and you free fall straight down to the ground.
That's actually crazy, but okay.
And your challenge is you have to call your brother Hudson and have a conversation with him, and don't give away that you're on a ride. That means you can't scream or sound weird in any way.
How am I supposed to do that?
If he knows you're on a ride, you automatically lose this challenge.
All right, let's do it.
Good luck.
What if he hears the ride?
I don't know. You just say that you're in construction.
Call Okie.
Aw, Okie.
Okay, I'm calling him right now. It's calling. Hi, Hudson. Hey, I was just... Sorry, I'm right next to construction. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sorry, okay. So, as you know, tonight I'm filming at the American Dream Mall, right? I was just wondering if you had any recommendations of the scariest roller coaster.
Oh my God, that looks so scary. I would not be able to do this challenge.
Go on the first one.
Wait, I can't hear you.
It's loud. How's she gonna explain that?
Hold on, give me a second.
It's still going on. This is terrifying.
It's a roller coaster there. I went on it one time and I almost puked.
When it free falls, she can't give it away.
I need the serious ride.
No, I know, it's terrifying. It spins and it goes sideways.
Alright, keep going. Let's go.
Does she scream? If she makes up a good enough excuse, then Hudson doesn't know she's on a ride, she still passes. but she probably failed.
Wait, what?
I just want to know what the scariest ride is.
I've literally told you 5 times.
I couldn't hear you. The construction was crazy. What is it?
It's a ride that spins in the air and it goes sideways. It will make you really dizzy and it's terrifying.
Okay, I'm gonna go on that later today. Thank you, Hudson. Love you. Bye.
I love you. Bye. Have fun.
What? He believed me.
I don't know if Salish is gonna pick a water park, this amusement park, or a trampoline park that we're going to next. I know this. This is a fun video to shoot. Maybe she should have 3 birthdays.
I was screaming. I just said we were next to construction.
Colin, do you think he believed it?
I think so. He thought it was construction. Say actually did pretty well, it sounds like.
And then I started screaming.
And then you started
You
screaming.
started screaming, he still didn't know? Hudson! Salish, actually no. Salish!
Bye, Dad!
Salish! Actually, somebody come get me. Salish! For the final challenge, this is the Shell Raiser, which is literally the steepest roller coaster in the world. And your challenge is to do this drop without screaming.
Okay, that's easy. I'd never scream.
You've never done a drop like this because it only exists right here. And then you get to see your birthday party.
Let's do it.
Hey, Say, I know you're super scared. Do you need me? Do you need a hug or anything?
Love you.
Okay. Do people go through this ride and not scream?
Never. Have you actually never rode this one?
Uh-uh.
Whoa, look at the lights.
Wait, Colin. Like, you're lucky. You're in the middle. I'm on the outside.
Salish, no screaming or you gotta do it again.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Whoa, that was quite a beginning, huh?
Oh my gosh, she would be screaming her lungs out right now. Look at this. You see that drop straight up and down? And it goes underneath itself? That's what makes it the world's deepest drop. How are you not screaming?
This is so much fun!
She's crazy.
Colin, I did not know that all that was in the beginning.
Say.
There is 0% chance she will not scream on this drop.
This is the best.
It was me.
You screamed and she didn't?
I think so.
Salish, people never don't scream.
That was so fun. I'm a little dizzy.
Have you ever done a roller coaster that steep?
No, it was so fun.
Wow, you're crazy. All right, ready to see your birthday party?
Yeah.
Nope, this way. Imagine a full water park experience with the birthday party.
Yes.
And then a full amusement park with this birthday party.
Yeah.
Which one are you leaning to so far?
You know, I'll tell you later.
We have one more to go.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is your good friend Peyton's ninja action course, also a trampoline park.
Ooh, that's super
Are you ready?
fun.
And then you're gonna have to decide between the 3, and we're about to find out which birthday party she's gonna have in 2 weeks when she turns 16.
Yes. I want a piece of cake. It's styrofoam.
This isn't actually your party. This is just like what your party would look like if you choose the amusement park.
I completely understand.
You weren't really supposed to cut that. Like, you don't eat cake a lot, so I really didn't think that you would actually. Okay, all right, we're good.
We're heading to the final location, and I'm gonna give you a tour. That's It's Sugar. That's an ice skating rink. Last time we were here, it was a lot crazier than this time. Oh my gosh! As this time, it's pretty quiet and chill. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
For the final birthday location, we're at the Ninja Kids Action and Trampoline Park.
If I beat my dad in 5 strength challenges, I get to see my 3rd birthday party.
If Salish can hang longer than me on the trapeze, she wins a point. I'll go first.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, Dad. Wow. Dang. 25, 30. Oh, exactly 30 seconds. Good job, Dad.
Go. Oh.
It's so slippery.
Do you want another chance?
No, that's okay.
I guess I won that one. This is floor is lava, so whichever one of us gets to the end without touching the ground wins. Got to go through all these openings, and good luck to me. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Oh, wow. Papa Bear in an early lead. Okay, I lost my sock. I'm stuck.
How do I get Emery? Push that towards me. Thank you.
I'm going backwards. This is not the way I'm supposed to go. Oh, I did it. I win. Wait, I'm stuck. No. No. Oh, I got further than I thought I would. We're gonna race on these cone things. Honestly, there's no way you're winning on this one because my legs are twice as long. Look at the length of the leg. I'm gonna win yet another challenge. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, go. Oh, you're slow. I can go so much faster than that. I can go so much. Okay, 5.81.
Your turn.
5.81 was actually pretty fast. I'm surprised, but I think I can do better.
All right, ready?
Yes.
Set, go.
Okay, I get to go again. Hold on.
3, 2, 1. Oh. Are you okay?
I'm good, I'm good. This is jousting. I'm on this side, she's on that side. I have to get to her side before she gets to my side, so basically I'm gonna knock her down and win.
Okay.
There's no chance she can beat me at this. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna charge her and freak her out.
What's your strategy?
I don't need one, I'm already better.
Stop yapping, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, why are you lying down?
You win.
She face planted. Little girl, that was pathetic, but good try. Let's move on. Next challenge is over here.
Wait, Dad, actually, can you come here really quick?
Okay.
Okay, today, I've had like the best time with you. Like, it's been so fun. And really, like, thank you so much for letting us have these experiences today. But I think I've decided what I want to do for my birthday.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't even want to try your other birthday party?
No.
Okay.
I think I just want to, like...
So which one is it? Is it water park, action park, or theme park?
Actually, I think I just want to hang out with my friends. And I don't want you to have to, like, pay for something so extravagant.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait.
Is that okay?
Well, yeah, it's okay, but I thought you'd want a big birthday party. You're turning 16, Say.
It's not that birthday parties are boring. It's just like I don't want to make such a big deal out of my birthday.
Oh. What if I want to make a big deal out of it?
Then that sucks.
Okay. So what do you want to do? You just want to
I just want to hang out with my friends.
For your birthday?
Yeah.
And you don't want to
Give
party?
me a hug.
I got to hug. Oh, action! Ow!
Love you. Bye, Dad. Let's go home.
I'm going to throw her a party anyway. I'm just not going to tell her. See you in 2 weeks.
Today, I'm sneaking out to fly across the country alone.
My dad is about to leave to go to the airport like right now, and he thinks that I'm flying to New York with my mom tomorrow. But he doesn't realize that I'm actually going to be following him the whole day.
Excuse me, I think you left your water. Hey, Say, Mom's taking me airport in a minute.
I'm just going to pretend to be in the shower again.
Hey, little girl, I'm taking off.
I'm in the shower.
Hey, Say, I'm leaving. Love you.
All right, bye, Dad. Love you. See you tomorrow.
That was so close. He came out the shower. He just left. Okay, look. He's right there. Perfect. All right, come on, let's go. My mom is in on this entire thing. I just hope that she doesn't give anything away while she's going to the airport with my dad.
Yeah, actually, you're supposed to take her right there. You're supposed to say, honey. No, it's saying take her right here. You just, honey, I have to get to the airport. Like, I gotta get there.
Problem is, there are security cameras right there, and my dad will get notified if he sees me walking out.
I haven't showed you yet, but look, we're getting a pool, and because of all the construction, the backyard cameras are turned off. So let's go.
This is an old gymnastics mat we have.
Just gonna wedge this right there.
I'm gonna put my phone right here so you guys can see me.
I'm just gonna jump over
the neighbor's fence right over there and then walk out their door, and my dad will never know. I just dropped my bag and it was open. Hopefully nothing broke.
Okay. Got you guys. We're right there. That was pretty easy.
I can't believe I just snuck out so easily. I'm hoping my neighbors don't see me. My ride should be here any second.
By the way, my mom is completely on my team. Like, I asked her to make a bunch of wrong turns, go super slow, so that I can catch up to my dad.
And I think it's the tire inflation. I think I'm supposed to go slow.
Okay.
She's here. She's here. Del! Thank you for picking me up. All right, though, you actually have to hurry up because we have to catch up to my dad. So go, 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 Del! You're such a slow driver.
If there's a long line of security, can we take a ride sometime?
Okay, so say I got your suitcase, all your clothes are in there, I got your Uggs, and a few extra things in the back. Okay, perfect, thank you. So before we get to the airport, I have to change into my disguise so that my dad won't recognize me. Bro, he's not gonna know who I am. Anytime that I get close to my dad, I have this mask that I can put on, and it won't be suspicious because a lot of people wear masks at airports. Right after the Netflix video, my dad said this to me. Dad, you were so bad at it, I could easily follow you without you knowing.
You think you can do that? You would be the worst at it.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Okay. If you can follow me, I will give you $500 if I don't notice.
500, okay.
But if I do notice, you have to do whatever I say for 24 hours.
Okay, well, obviously I can do it, so yeah, for sure. All right, bye. And I'm sure he's forgotten about it, but I really want that 500, but my dad tried to get close to me 4 times, so I'm gonna try and get close to him 5 times and sit down on the plane next to him without him knowing. I logged into my account on Dell's iPad so that I can change my location on Find My to this iPad instead of my phone. Can you please take this iPad back to the house so that my dad sees my location and he thinks I'm at the house? Okay, thank you. I gotta duck so that my dad doesn't see me because we are right behind him.
There's something different about the way you're driving today.
I don't want to get a ticket. Oh my gosh, they're pulling over right now, Del, they're pulling over! Go behind this white car. Oh my gosh, guys, they're literally right there.
I love you. Bye, I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye, honey. Love you. Bye, dog.
I've set up a fake video to keep my dad distracted so that I can get close to him.
Oh, hey, Jordan.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Did nobody tell you?
Tell me what?
Guys, he's right there. Look.
So we're filming a video right now? Yeah.
Guys, my dad's calling me.
Hey, say, why is Colin here filming me?
Oh yeah, Dad, I'm gonna text you a list of challenges and you have to do all of them before you board the plane.
Is this a video? Like a whole video? What are you doing?
I'm doing my own thing back at home.
So I have to do challenges in the airport. Are they embarrassing? 6, 7!
You'll see.
I guess this is weird, but okay, I love you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. All right, well, let's go. Are you coming in the terminal with me?
Yeah.
How?
I bought a flight.
You bought a flight so you could come in to film me?
Yeah.
This is crazy.
I told a special guest to meet me here at the airport, so as soon as my dad goes inside, I have to find them. Okay, he just walked in. Okay, let's go. We gotta get out of the car and we're gonna go. We gotta go quick. Oh shoot, guys. Everything fell out. There's so many things right now. I gotta grab the suitcase for part of the plan. Let's go. Guys, I really hope my dad doesn't walk out right now. I don't have any of my guys on.
I guess let's go in the terminal and start.
Wait, 1 sec. Here, put on your mic.
Okay, this is a real thing.
You thought you were just gonna chill in the lounge and have a chill day? No.
Guys, we got the suitcase. This is low-key heavy. It's gonna be so hard for Nick to carry me.
I brought a carry-on, but I just checked it because I don't know what challenges Sailor's are gonna make me do and I don't wanna lose it.
Hi, thank you so much for coming.
No doubt.
It's amazing to see you, thank you.
Likewise.
Okay, Colin, I just got the first challenge from Salish. It says get through security in 30 minutes. That's not easy. At LAX, during the holidays, let's go.
All right, so you're actually gonna get in here.
I mean, I guess so.
Is this legal?
Yeah, I think so.
I feel like I'm an accomplice in something much more than a prank. People are staring at us.
Yeah, I bet. All right, go ahead, Nick.
What am I doing? I got my own YouTube videos to make. All right, you ready?
Yeah. So hot in here, guys.
Where is security? I don't even know where it is. Is it that way or is it this way?
Yo, Jordan.
Is that Nick?
Yeah.
To win my first challenge, I'm hiding in this suitcase to get close to my dad without him knowing.
Oh my gosh.
How you doing, man? Good to see you,
man.
man.
You traveling?
I'm traveling. I'm going to New York. Where are you going?
Boston.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
I can't move at all.
Awesome.
You know what though? Could you watch my bag for me? I gotta run to the bathroom real quick. Be right back.
Okay. Could you hurry though? I gotta get through security real fast.
Gotcha.
All right, will you hurry up with that though? I gotta watch his bag. That's so random. Dude. Oh my gosh. He just went way far away. It is taking a minute. Oh my God, what is taking him so long? This is crazy.
This is crazy, guys.
Being stuck in a suitcase is insanely uncomfortable.
Dude, what? I can't. I'm gonna lose the first challenge. Okay, all right, you know what? I'm gonna bring the bag to him because this is like too far. What is in this thing? Oh, sorry. I was about to take it to you. Dude, I gotta go. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. You good?
I'm good.
All right.
All right, see ya.
All right, cool.
All right, come on, Colin. Let's talk soon. Call me.
Okay, now we're leaving, I guess. All right, Jordan's leaving over there.
That delayed us 5 minutes, which is like a lot of time.
All right, say.
Hi. Wait, it worked?
It works.
Thank you so much, Nick.
problem.
I really appreciate it, but I gotta go. Thank you. Bye. So it actually worked. I'm gonna grab my suitcase, my bag. We got everything.
I want to run, but I can't because I injured my knee. So I'm basically just like hobbling.
I look terrible right now. I cannot believe it. The Nick Cannon thing worked.
It doesn't look like there's a long line. Let's go. Okay, challenge number 1. I think I'm gonna finish that. Oh, dude, I'm gonna get through check. Look. Yeah, we got this easy.
He's right there. I guess he checked his bag already.
Whatever challenges I have to do, I'll bet Salish gave herself easier ones.
Guys, he's right there.
Colin, come on. Come, let's go.
I'm going through the security line right now. He's literally right there. Oh my gosh. I just got through one, and my dad literally got stopped. What? I'm back in my disguise. Okay, guys, my dad is right here. I gotta go a little back. Look. Like, I'm so surprised he didn't notice me. I don't even have my mask on. But look, I'm hiding like behind this pole, and I don't think he can see me right now. So that's good.
Okay, I'm caffeinated. Time for the next challenge. It is find gate 67 and then say 6-7 until somebody in the crowd laughs.
You can't stop yelling 6-7 until somebody laughs. And obviously nobody's gonna laugh, so I'm gonna be the one that laughs. Guys, I just wanna make it a point to him. It's not that hard to follow somebody and have them not notice. He's followed me a bunch of times, and I've always noticed he does way too much. I literally just have a hat, sunglasses, and a mask, and he hasn't noticed me this entire time that I've been following him.
That is so awkward. You guys get the 6-7 thing? No. My daughter's obsessed, and now I gotta go shout it out in public. Let's go find gate 6-7.
Oh, 6-7. 6-7.
Also, Colin, check how I'm walking. Look at this. This is not the day to be walking all around an airport doing challenges. It's not the day. My knee is hurt.
I thought you just really had to go to the bathroom.
Okay, I see him. I'm gonna put the mask on.
I'm just saying, if I knew we were filming, I would have done my hair better. I would have worn a different black t-shirt. You know, I would have gotten dressed up for it.
Right there.
Look, that's 72. So 6-7 would be this way.
6-7. All right, let's follow him. If he turns around, I'm cooked.
Why are you walking in front of me?
Shoot. Turn around.
I'm confused. Where is it?
Guys, he can definitely see me.
I think we gotta take a shuttle.
We gotta take a shuttle?
We have to take a shuttle?
No, it says 40 to 69. Please tell me I don't have to walk a lot.
You might have to like take a ramp or something.
All right, let's go. Let's go this way.
I'm just gonna keep my mask on for a couple minutes because he's literally right there. Look. I can't be too close, then he'll hear me.
It's this way, gate 60 to 69. Oh my God, this is, ow. Like, okay, what are you doing, just watching me limp?
Yeah, it's kind of funny, I'm not gonna lie.
All right.
Fist bump, oh, fist bump.
Colin, what are you doing? No! Colin just tried to fist bump me.
Colin, what are you doing?
I'm sorry, I had to tie my shoe.
Salish calls you up and says, hey, we're gonna do a video where my dad has to do a bunch of challenges in the airport. What's she doing?
I think she might have her own challenges.
You know what,
at the
I'm kind of
house.
curious.
My dad is calling me. Hey, Dad.
Why are you whispering?
I was just asleep.
Wait, you're asleep? Dude, I'm doing all these challenges in the airport. I thought you were doing challenges at the house.
I did challenges and I was just taking a nap because the cameras aren't working, and then I just woke up.
Oh, all right. What are your challenges? What are you doing?
You'll see when you watch the video.
Okay, why are you whispering? You're all alone in the house. Okay, whatever. I love you.
Bye.
Okay, I guess that's that.
Mask is going back up.
Gate 65. Let's hope I get all these done and then I win whatever I win. What are we even playing for?
It's just for the love of the game.
It's just for the love of the game?
Oh, I found gate 67. It's literally right there. I'm just gonna sit right here.
This is embarrassing. What if I do it once? If nobody laughs?
No.
But Salish isn't even here. She'll never know.
Oh my gosh, guys, he's literally right there.
She's gonna be super mad at me if I let you not do it.
How will she know? She's not here.
I don't know. She'll find a way.
All right, here we go. This is awkward. I'm sorry ahead of time for doing this, but this is gate 67. That was a woo, but it didn't count as a laugh though. Gate 67.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go behind this pole and I'm gonna start laughing.
Oh?
Gate 67! Did you hear that? Wait, somebody just laughed. Did you hear that?
Yeah, where was that?
Shoot guys, he literally just said here to laugh.
There was a laugh over...
Where do I go?
Oh, maybe he was at the bar.
Right.
He's right there. I think I need to go, just in case. I took off my disguise for a couple minutes. Really uncomfortable, not even gonna lie. I can't even imagine like my dad, because whenever he does a disguise like this, he always tries to wear prosthetics and whatever. I'm literally just uncomfortable with a hat and sunglasses.
That was one of the most embarrassing moments on this channel, and that's saying a lot, so cue a few other embarrassing moments. Hey everybody, I'm gonna teach you how to get jacked like me. Next challenge from Salish is do a TikTok with a stranger. That's awkward. I don't know what TikTok dance to do, so I'm gonna call Eliana. She knows TikTok. Hey Ellie.
Hi, Jordan, what's going on?
I'm at the airport. Salish just gave me a challenge where I have to do a TikTok with a stranger.
Oh, that's so embarrassing.
Do you have any ideas of any TikTok I should do? Like what trend should I do?
You should do a K-pop dance.
I don't know how to dance and I have an injured knee. Oh, I've got it. What if I do the thing where it's like, and it's like, basically name your crush, and then it's my wife. I'm like, anybody else? No.
I don't know what you were trying to do there. So you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, cha-cha, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5.
But you're a dancer, Ellie. That looks good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 5.
My dad has to make a TikTok with a stranger, and then I'm just gonna try and go in the back and photobomb it.
Do you wanna do a TikTok? Excuse me, would you or your dog like to do a TikTok with me?
She's not very friendly.
This is gonna be harder than I thought.
I'm watching him through the camera right now.
You don't wanna do a TikTok with me, do you? Hey sir, would you like to do a TikTok with me?
No thanks.
Salish said I had to do a TikTok with an adult to make it even harder. No chance you wanna do a TikTok with me, right?
My dad is right there. I need to get out of here.
Do I ask a man or a woman? Both of them are gonna think I'm weird. No chance you wanna do a TikTok, right?
He's literally going around to people asking to do a TikTok with them, and none of them want to do a TikTok with him.
I'm so sorry to interrupt you. Are you interested in doing a TikTok by any chance? It's a challenge from my daughter. Like, just do a TikTok with me? Yeah, okay, cool.
You go sit.
What?
Guys, I accidentally just dropped my phone, and my dad looked over here. That was not good.
This is me. I guess we have to bump hips. Kind of awkward because we don't know each other.
He's doing the TikTok. I'm gonna go in the background. Let's go.
Excuse me, anybody want to film a quick TikTok for me? Here we go, ready? One more? There, okay. Not the best ever?
I just did it. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm scared now. I'm scared. I'm so scared.
Oh wow, that's dad energy. Ooh, that's awkward. Okay, thank you. That was good.
He's gonna watch the video back. He might recognize me. I'm cooked. I'm actually cooked, bro.
We got that. Hold on, let me just play that again.
Oh, do you know how to edit on it?
Wait.
What?
Nothing. Weird, okay.
Do we need to redo it? Why is it?
No, it's all good, it's good.
He looks really confused right now. I'm gonna sit right behind this pole. You can't see anything from this pole.
If that person hadn't walked in the background, it would have been perfect. Like one person walks in the background the whole time.
Having like barely any disguise is way better than any prosthetic that my dad has ever done. This is gonna be like the easiest $500 I've ever made. I want to like go to dinner with my friends. Obviously, I'm not gonna spend $500 at dinner. Like I would probably go to like In-N-Out or something. I have a couple more things that I'm gonna do before I go sit on the plane next to my dad, which I'm kind of scared for, but I'm really excited too.
Next challenge is go the wrong way up a long escalator. This is bad. And also I've got a bad knee, so this is not gonna be easy. All right, let's go find a long one. Can this count as long?
Are you kidding?
Long.
That's so short, dude.
You are such a Karen today. This is long enough if you got a bad knee.
I'm just here to enforce the rules given by Salish, that's
all right, so we have to find a longer one?
Way longer, that's so short.
Guys, he's here. Right there. I'm gonna stay here.
You're getting a little too close to him.
Come on, you gotta go.
I'm leaving. Fist bump.
Hold on, I don't want your fist bump.
Why are you so slow?
I got new
you
shoes.
Keep stopping.
The laces keep coming untied. I'm trying to figure out the best way to time it.
For the next challenge, I actually need to bump into my dad without him realizing it's me, and I've got the perfect idea.
Okay, this is awkward. I left Colin at the top to get me running up, and now I have to go here, barely walk, and then I've got to run all the way back up there. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just going for it.
He's at the bottom.
Hey Colin, can you stop being so obvious and tell him to stop stopping?
Can you just give me a fist bump?
He keeps on stopping.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. This is a challenge. It was a dare by my daughter. I'm really sorry. I also have a hurt knee. It's no fun. So sorry. Thank you. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. That person wouldn't move. Oh my God, my legs are burning. Oh Lord, please be over.
I just bumped into him. He didn't say anything. We gotta go, go, go.
That was kind of impressive.
That's good exercise.
Alright guys, he's definitely still there. I can hear him right now.
Yeah, look, it's going up. Ooh, that's not normal. Up an escalator. Thanks, Salish.
This is insane that he hasn't noticed me. It's so obvious that I'm right here.
I literally walked right past him. Again, I only need to get close to him one more time and I win.
Okay, let's just see the next challenge.
I just got a notification and he texted me and called me. I need to hide from him and call him back.
I'm gonna read my next, oh, she's calling me back.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, where were you?
I was sleeping, so sorry, my bad.
Still sleeping, jeez. Okay, you might wanna get started on your challenges. Or, I mean,
I've done like a couple of my challenges and I have to do a couple more.
it's been a long time since I've been in a video by myself.
No, Dad, I've been doing stuff.
Okay. By the way, I just ran up that escalator and you remember how I injured my knee?
Yeah.
So there's not gonna be any more running challenges, are there? Because I could barely climb up
Yeah.
dude, somebody like literally wouldn't get out of the way. They were taking up the whole space and they wouldn't get out of the way. I'm climbing, excuse me, and they just bumped into me.
Are you okay? Like, were they
I'm
mad?
fine, they were little. Thanks for re-injuring my knee and let's not do any more running stuff. I'm gonna go do my next thing because I gotta catch the plane soon.
Okay, love you back.
I gotta use the bathroom and then we'll do the next challenge. Give me 1 minute.
Oh my gosh, no way. He was literally talking about me. This person wouldn't move and they were like short and they would not move. He was literally talking about me. My dad is right over there, so I'm gonna go right over here so it's not as obvious.
Guys, I don't have to go to the bathroom. I just wanted to tell you something. I know Salish is here. That was Salish on the escalator. I know it for a fact. Salish, how much more obvious could you make it? You don't think I would know my own kid? Like, I figured it might be you when I saw you behind the TikTok, but now I know for absolute certain.
Is he vlogging himself or is he calling someone? Because I literally asked Colin to go with him so that he could film him, but it looks like he's vlogging.
Okay, this is my video now, and I'm taking over the voiceover. Salish, you couldn't put a little more effort into it? Like try some prosthetics, maybe a different outfit? At least you think sunglasses and a hoodie is all you need to do? I'm telling you guys that I know Salish is here, but I cannot tell Colin because I'm sure Colin is Team Salish and in on this whole thing. He always is. So whenever I'm with Colin, I'm gonna pretend like I have no idea what's happening, but when I'm vlogging with just you guys, I'm gonna tell you what I'm thinking. And right now, I'm thinking that I am going to mess with her because she's doing this so she can make 500 bucks. I remember the bet, but instead she's gonna have to do whatever I say for the next 24 hours.
He's definitely vlogging, but what is he vlogging about? I'm kind of nervous that he suspects something with me, but I don't really know what to do.
My daughter Autumn is obsessed with Salish.
Oh, Salish is right over there.
Oh my gosh.
In a hoodie, but listen, you gotta do me a favor. You can go say hi to her, but don't tell her I told you that I know that she's here. I know Salish would never turn down a photo, so if this works, that will confirm that it's her. Well, that confirms it. I mean, I knew it already, but that's triple confirms it. That is Salish. She's got the little hoodie on that looks exactly like what she wears to school every day, and she thought I wouldn't know it's her. Not that easy, little girl. So the question I have is she getting on the plane with me? Is that her plan? I'll bet you it is, but I'm gonna find out for sure by checking our American Express.
He's still vlogging himself. Why is he vlogging himself so much?
Okay, I just checked recent Amex purchases, and I guess Lauren bought Salish a ticket. Oh, this is so good. Oh my God, they're both in on it. So Salish, I'm sure, has a ticket on the same flight that I have, and she's gonna mess with me on the plane. No, you're not, little girl, because I already know it's you.
Who is he FaceTiming?
Oh, wait, Colin, I'm gonna grab a little quick bite, okay? You can chill. Just go grab something.
What are you doing? You're just eating in the middle of the open without
What
any...
does it look like I'm
You don't
doing?
have your disguise on.
I'm hungry.
He just went to the bathroom. He could be out any minute. At least put on a hood or something.
Can I just enjoy my food?
I'm trying to help you here.
Let's see what the next challenge. You know, my leg is hurting. Can we just take a break?
Why is he doing that?
Wait, no. Why are we taking a break?
I'm sorry, my leg is just killing. I just need 1 second. This is too fun. I know she's freaking out right now. So my daughter, who's at the house and is making me do a series of challenges around the terminal, I have to do awkward things. I knew she would leave, and she even forgot her water bottle. Excuse me, I think you left your water.
Here, I'll just go get it. Okay. Go, keep walking, keep walking.
Genuinely, what just happened? Why did you make him sit right next to me?
I didn't make him do anything. He said his leg hurt.
Does he know?
I think he might be getting onto you though.
Just so you know, that was my daughter sitting right there, and she thinks she can disguise herself by just wearing glasses and a hoodie. But I know it's her. Anyway, I'm gonna go just mess with her some more. Take care.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I said I was gonna go give you a water, so I can't come back with a
Colin,
water in hand.
Colin.
He's coming. Just take it.
Go.
Colin.
Yeah, what?
Nothing. I don't know what else Salish has planned, but I can't wait to confront her right at the very end and tell her that her disguise didn't fool me for a second. Well, it did for a few seconds.
Colin said that my dad was starting to recognize me, but I don't know how he would recognize me. If I wasn't myself, but I was myself, and then I saw myself, I wouldn't recognize myself. And my location literally says that I'm at home.
All right, Colin, before we do the next challenge, I'm just gonna grab a coffee, okay? You can just sit. You want something?
No, I'm good.
All right, cool.
My dad is going to Starbucks. I can see him through like this tinted window a little bit. Yep, let's go follow him. Just be discreet.
So if you saw last year's video when I was in disguise following Salish while she traveled across the country, you might remember that she bought a Starbucks and one for me to mess with me. What? She just ordered peppermint mocha, that's my drink. And then she just walked away. What? Well, I'm gonna do the same thing to her right now.
All right, he's ordering from Starbucks right now.
May I please have a tall oat peppermint mocha, half pump, and tall pink drink, please?
I have a plan, I have a plan. Sorry, I'm filming him right now. I don't think he'll notice me because I'm just gonna have it like this. Why is he filming himself?
Okay, so yes, I'm gonna make myself a cafe mocha, but I'm actually gonna add a lot of extra sugar to it, and I also ordered a pink drink.
Wait, why would he order pink drinks? He hates pink drinks.
So I'm waiting for Colin to come back and just vlogging my day. Oh, that's my name.
Why is he vlogging? Guys, he knows. He definitely knows.
Not as easy as it looks. Whether or not Salish takes the pink drink I left, I'm gonna keep playing along until I catch her at the very last moment. This is gonna be fun.
He definitely wants me to get it so that he can prove that I'm here. I definitely think he might know.
Oh.
What?
Wait.
Why does he keep on stopping and turning around?
Sorry, I just wanted to get something from Starbucks.
What are you another thing from Starbucks?
Bro, my dad is being so suspicious right now.
I was thinking about getting some sugar. No, we're good.
What?
Sorry. I just got confused there for a sec.
I definitely do think he's on to me. Like, even Colin thinks he's on to me.
What?
Nothing.
If he's on to me, I can't really do anything.
Oh yeah, this long walk again. But at least I know that Salish is back at home doing whatever she's doing, right?
I should have got like a hypnotist to hypnotize him.
Wait, I just gotta stretch out here a little.
What is he doing?
Ah! Oh my God, I just kind of wish that Salish wasn't making me walk so much, you know? She's just at the house being lazy like always.
Right.
And I'm here walking and running up escalators and she's doing lazy nothing things.
I'm barely ever at home. I think he's just trying to like annoy me and push my buttons or whatever so that I come and I'm like, hey, like what the heck? But Dad, I'm not gonna fall for that when you're watching this video.
One more challenge and then I gotta get on the plane. But I've won whatever it is I'm winning because I'm gonna be able to do this last challenge, which is, by the way, arm wrestle with a stranger and that person has to be wearing an orange shirt.
The final challenge is the arm wrestle. I hired a bodybuilder to come arm wrestle him. So we'll see how that goes.
I actually might not make the plane now because who would have a random orange shirt on? Nobody wears orange.
I'm gonna hide in this store and wait for my dad to go so that I can walk behind. He's right there, he's right there.
Colin, I have a weird feeling that there will be somebody in an orange shirt at our gate. What gate are we at? Orange shirt, right?
Yeah.
Why is he just looking over at me?
I'm sorry, but sorry, I just thought of something funny.
What?
You remember when we did the Netflix video and I was in costume?
Yeah.
You remember how long that took? That was like 4 hours of prosthetics and makeup to do that, and she still knew me like that.
Jordan?
Yeah.
Look behind you.
He found the orange shirt guy.
So you're saying I gotta go ask that dude if he wants to arm wrestle because he's the only person in this whole terminal wearing an orange shirt.
Jordan, I'm not gonna lie, your odds are not looking great.
Okay. Excuse me, sir.
He's right there.
I got a weird question to ask you. Yeah. My daughter has challenged me to challenge somebody in an orange shirt to an arm wrestling contest. So, do you want to arm wrestle real quick?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Okay guys, my dad is about to arm wrestle the guy in the orange shirt. I asked the bodybuilder to go like extra slow at beating my dad so I have time to mess with him and throw something at him.
I just want everybody to know that I've been challenged to do this. I'm gonna show off my guns now. Huh? You didn't see that coming, did you? You didn't see that thing coming? Here we go. Okay.
There's like a whole crowd watching them.
Look at that thing. Oh my God, look at the arm.
This is so embarrassing.
Yeah, it's not looking good for me.
I actually hope my dad wins.
Okay.
That would be like cool.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Oh. Oh. What?
I just threw my hat at him and he didn't react at all.
Look, he's playing with me. Come on, actually, am I actually that strong? No, ow. Ow. Okay, so you were playing with me. Wait, how many people just filmed that? And then somebody threw their hat at me. All right, well, I'm gonna keep this.
I think I should go. And now I don't have a hat for disguise. Our gate is 75. I don't want my dad to see me until I get onto the plane. So I'm just gonna hide like right behind this corner thing.
With all the challenges completed, all that's left is to board the plane. But first, I'm gonna FaceTime Salish right now and tell her I'm done and say goodbye to her because I'm about to get on the plane totally alone.
Basically, I'm going to wait for my dad to board, then I'm gonna board right after him so that he doesn't notice me before I'm sitting on the plane right next to him. My dad's calling me, he's FaceTiming me. What do I do, what do I do, what do I do?
Hey, Say.
Hey.
Turn your camera on real quick so I can say goodbye to you.
Oh, I'm so sorry, it's not working. I'm going to the Apple store to get it fixed today.
The audio works, but it's not the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, weird. Okay. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I finished all the challenges.
Oh, good job.
Yeah, and now I'm getting on the plane.
Cool, have you started boarding yet?
About to, but I guess I'll see you tomorrow, right?
Oh, I think we land at like 7, so I'll see you at 7 tomorrow.
6, 7, right? 6, 7.
Yeah.
All right, love you.
Okay, bye.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get on. So, Colin, I should give you my audio and mics and stuff?
Yeah.
He's right there. Do you see him?
See ya. Thanks, Colin.
Yeah, no.
All right, weird. This has been the weirdest day. All right,
Yeah.
I'll see ya.
Okay, see ya.
He's boarding right now. You guys are boarding.
Give me a second.
Suit up, suit up. Okay.
Thanks, Colin. Just getting his ticket. He's on the phone. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes, I think, and then I'm gonna go forward, and then I'm gonna sit next to him, and I win if we take off and he doesn't notice. And then right when we take off, I'm gonna be like, "Hi, Dad," and he's gonna be like, "What? No!"
Okay, so I don't really have a plan for exactly how I'm gonna tell Salish I know it's her, but I gotta tell her pretty quick because I have a feeling she thinks she's gonna win this challenge, but that's not gonna happen. I don't see her back there, and I don't see her in here.
Alright guys, I just boarded my flight. Now I'm just going through here. I'm also gonna put my mask on.
Oh, and look who just boarded and forgot to put on her hood.
I have my disguise on, and I'm about to go.
Didn't even bother to put her hat on because she forgot that she threw it at me. So how's she gonna hide her hair?
Sorry.
Usually it's better to put your hood on before you sit in the seat, I think.
How did you know?
You can take your mask off.
Dad, how did you know?
You walked in here with a hood down. Like, what did you think? I don't know your hair? I don't know.
forgot.
When
did you figure it out?
I figured it out, like when you walked past the TikTok and definitely when you tried to bump me on the escalator, that was the worst. Your little body, I know your body language thing.
Okay.
Okay, so guess what? You have to do whatever I say for the next 24 hours.
Oh.
And I'd like the window seat. Get up, get up. Excuse me. Also, I'm gonna want soda all day.
Okay.
I want at least 20 cranberries and soda, okay?
You can get 20 cranberry soda.
You'll be getting it from me. And then when we get there,
That's so embarrassing.
I think I'm gonna want you to make me dinner.
Okay.
I've got to have a fun 24 hours ahead of me. Okay, Salish, next time put on some prosthetics. Make an effort. That was horrible.
Okay.
Okay?
Maybe. We'll see.
Bye. I'm sorry, guys, that you had to watch that. That was no effort by Salish.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye. Can you climb up this thing and let yourself fall off? Go forward. Nick, catch her from the bottom. Do not try this at home, and I mean it. I'm not joking. We gotta go.
It's gonna be good.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Cool, let's do this thing. This is gonna be awesome. I can't wait. You guys are great. It's gonna rock the world. Woo! Hello everyone, I'm in front of the Sydney Opera House to see how many awesome shots I can get in 10 minutes for the 10-minute photo challenge. Now for a second, I'm gonna be serious. What we're about to do, I do not want you to try this at home. These guys are trained professional circus artists. They've been practicing for years to do this. Do not try what we're about to do, okay? Thank you very much. Now, to introduce you to the timer, this is Asha. I call her Little Bit, so if I scream Little Bit time, that's Asha. She's awesome. When I say 1, 2, 3, we are gonna go and we're gonna start this. But first, let me introduce to you Charlotte and Nicholas. 1, 2, 3, go. That's incredible already, right there, hold it. I think I got it, hold it one more time. Got it, come on down. Come right over here, I want you to look out over this bridge. Can you do a hand, like a hand lift? I'm gonna silhouette you, okay? Right here. Guys, walk over here. That's funny. Hurry. Okay, good. Turn that way. Done. Good. Wow, that's incredible. Okay, sorry, just they've performed here. You know them probably. Sorry, thank you. Little bit, time. Yo. I want you to throw her up into that sky. I want you to be on that top platform right there so that she'll be in the sky. Go. Go. Whoa. Wait, I gotta make sure I got it. Let's move over this way. Do it again. Good, right there. Go. God, this light is insane. And go. Awesome, let's go. Wow, right? Are they not incredible? All right. Charlotte, can you climb up this thing and let yourself fall off? Go forward. Nick, catch her from the bottom. Do not try this at home, and I mean it, I'm not joking. Okay. I'm freaking out, but okay. Let yourself really go. Go. Good, do it again. Go a little higher. Arch more, point your toes. Arch more, point your toes, hurry. Go. Good.
You have it?
You tell me. Do I have it?
Whoa.
Yeah, you want to try it one more time?
One more.
Okay, ready, set, go. That was the one. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay, let's go. Come on in. Come out here. Come on. It does not say anything about crazy circus performers, so we can do it. All right, get up here. Do a lift right there on the edge. Good, amazing. What is it you're gonna do? Oh my God. Uh-oh. Try again?
Really too much.
Try again.
No, I can't.
Are you sure? Okay, you gotta be safe. All right. Can you do it right over here? Do it right there, right there.
Okay.
Go. Got it. Come on down. You guys are blowing my mind. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you good? Okay, let's keep running. Come on. Oh, you know what'd be funny? Little bit. I want you in a picture. Come here. She's your kid. She is really just misbehaving. You pick her up by her ponytail and you're angry. Listen, it's not gonna hurt. Hold your ponytail, but you hold it. He'll tell you, okay? Your angry mother. On the other side. Split when you're in the air.
Split, yeah.
Wait, listen. Try it once, make sure it doesn't hurt. Try it once. Practice it. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Chin up when you do it and look like you're in really bad trouble. Yeah, that's gonna be amazing. Good, go. Be really angry, everybody. That was great. Yeah, oh yes, we got it. Keep going. Okay, how much time left? Oh, here, a photograph. Okay, let's have them both do something. Yeah, do you want to get in it too, sir? We got 2 minutes. We're doing a challenge, photo challenge. Do you want to do it too? Okay, take all the stuff, quick. We only have 2 minutes. How much time? How much time?
2 minutes, 25 seconds.
2 minutes, 25 seconds. They're gonna do a fun thing. They've done this before. They're professionals. Everybody, don't worry. I'm ready. Go. Got it. Thank you very much. That was awesome. High fives. Thank you. Awesome. Let's go. We got to go back to the light. Little bit time. 1 minute, 40 seconds. That's pretty light right there. What, guys, have you not done yet? I don't know what you're gonna do, but okay, the bridge is in the background. Oh. Oh my God. Good, yes, hold it right there. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Got it, come down. Do something crazy, a last thing. One more time, do it one more time for the people. Go! Whoa, my God! Are you kidding me? Charlotte and Nicholas for the 10-minute photo challenge on YouTube. Woo! Yeah! 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 That was awesome. Oh my God, that was awesome.
It was harder than a full show.
Yeah, 10 minutes is like, how'd you make 10 minutes so hard?
I don't know. There was so much time, right?
So much time. I don't know if we've ever done that many tricks in that little time. That was crazy.
Guys, look at this photo. This is freaking awesome. Yes.
That's the shot.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. If you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe. And I promise you, when I reach 1 million subscribers, I will do the next photo challenge in a leotard and tutu.